Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Too bad. One raga, what you say? A daily dose of raga fix all stress and eliminate depression. Oh, you mean? That sound good. Carrie says she's been looking for me from 5 p.m. 5 p.m.? How about you then? Which state you in?
Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord.
We're the Kenyatta. Which state you in?
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Kenyatta, which state you in? Where you say I look for me from 5 o'clock? From 5 o'clock? Which state you in? Because I'm in a state where they 1 hour behind New York, you know. But at 5 o'clock, I'm going to start 6 o'clock, you know. But, you know. Kimby, what go down? My good man, my day, man. I want it just for me and say, oh, you know, Jamaica now. But Jamaica are on the same time with we now. Is Jamaica on the same time with which Canada? Anyway. Jamaica they on the same. No man, at 6 o'clock I do it. But we're not on the same time at 5 o'clock phone, but at 6 o'clock I do it. Kareem. Blossom Johnson from Jamaica, been a senti. Big up yourself, Blossom. Large up, man. See? Yeah, Michelle large up. Craigtown, you don't know. Craigtown, man, I come over there. I come over in the UK, you know. But when I go over there just to visit you and Janet and Shaba and Red Ras. That's all me I go over there for. Me I look a nice, look a decent ticket and come over there, yeah? Feel like a 3-4 day or so. Serious in a Craigtown, you know, one of them weekend I come over there, here, sir. And you don't know, you link up. I'm just go over there for just hang out with them, you know? Yeah, when I ever travel come see me, so you know, say every now and then I have to travel come soon and thing. And the London ticket, them not too bad. From New York. If you fly from somewhere else, dog, me mess up about yeah, man, I make you know, man, and you know, we do road. Raga, it's J. Sean Christos, aka Sean Facey from Old Harbour Bay era. Big up me J. Big up yourself, you know. J. Sean Christos. Large up. Trust me, say, what about Cavi? Yeah, man, we have to link Cavi, man. But we have to link Cavi in one place. We're crowded.
Everybody! Listen me!
No, we have to link Cavi somewhere crowded, man. You know. I don't know I go with Cavi already. That would be... Wait, that what this thing is? I know some really need this thing, yeah. And
Listen me!
oh. Alright, me figure that out. Can you say, am I afraid of Cavi? Hell yeah! When you think I'm going to say no? Of course, I'm afraid of Cavi. You know, yeah, I tell you, say, I go link Cavi when I go London. But I try to figure out, like when I'm there on I try to figure out how to blink. Right? I don't want a blink or a wink. Like, I want my eye them always open. I don't want my eye them like a blink, like even for a second, like a hot second car. You know, Cavi, you don't know what you don't know what could happen in that one fraction of a second. All right, so that me I work on right, I know. I probably all of that to hold me back from go London right, you know, because I still need to figure out how to not blink when I run Cavi, you know? You understand? Ellie says, so you stop drink beetroot juice, a beer rum cream you drink lately. You see me drink rum cream? You know them say Jamaica deaf face get like trouble, you know. People, you see, hey, you see our mouth is a key, you see our mouth is a dangerous thing. From me, I do this thing, I'm not drinking the rum cream, so you know. No rum cream, you know. No rum cream to me thing since me day or so, whatever. And she come on the people, them big up on top. Beer rum cream, you drink from what day or whatever. You see it? Yes, what me I tell you. But thank God the whole on there. So when I know I say nothing no go so. But man, I drink beer rum cream. The one Ellie. You understand? People when they say me, from me, I do the show, me drinking a rum cream. Sha wicked. Yo, people, listen to this. Man, I'm sitting there for play a phone today. More wanna listen to this. All right. Ready up. All right. Kakuni is, you know. Wait, where you sitting there? Where? All right. Kakuni is, you know. Let me see that thing I play, you know. Oh, wait there. Oh, hold on there.
All right then. Make the point.
No, hold on.
What do you know? The woman say, boy, you know, you're 42 now, you know, youth, so them say if you check your prostate. So I say, all right then. Make the appointment. Because, you know, them have insurance, you know. Some of them pay for them insurance. So she make the appointment. And I'm going to go, Miss Swan. Nice little petite Indian doctor, you know. Nice girl. A nice young lady then. Let me say that. You know, talk to me and reason me take my vitals and do me look a test. Them take some blood from me because them have the blood work. And them give me an overall checkup, you know? And them have send the guy lab. So I say, all right then, go and do nothing, brother. So she said she have to check now my prostate, you understand? And she has said, boy, them have to insert, you know, them finger and feel up and down and feel if the prostate, the gland has swell. You understand? For all who don't know about the prostate, brother. The prostate I want to hold the sperm water. Not the sperm, you know. The lubricant. For when the sperm come down, it mix with the fluid. You understand? So sometimes that swell up and push against your pipe. Will carry out the pee-pee through your hood. You understand what I say? So when that swell up now, it kind of block off a pee-pee hole. You push against it and kind of close. Just like when you have a hose and you squeeze up your hose together and the water come out a little bit, same way. So each time when you pee-pee, I want to use the bathroom, it's like you have to shake, you know, because all light never really come out. You understand? You know, flow straight like that. You understand? Like when you're a young boy or your son or so. So the prostate get bigger. So I feel if you see, you know, what size it is and estimate it and so. So I say, all right, no problem. So she say, all right, somebody will be there. So I said to myself, I sit down in my room now, she take off my clothes and put on my little gown and sit down on bed and wait. I say, the lady must go and wash her hand and clean up herself, you know, to come back in, come test the prostate, you know, come insert. You know, me look on her finger, them and nice petite girl. I say, all right, then, must handle that. Brother, me say no man. To judgment all you know people. Mighty God of Daniel. All of a sudden me don't know where this doctor you come from, you know, brother. One big thick man, you know, brother. You know the white man with oversized, brother. And one of them man they come in, you know, brother. And when me look on the wall, the man I take the one gloves, you know, man. Me know gloves, you know. And the latex gloves, you know, okay, you know about them things because I'm nurse, you know, do you know. And Miss Venice and all I know, ladies and the chat and you know about them things, you know, them. Me say the gloves, where the man take out of the box, mark XXL. Me blood fire. XXL. Listen, me blood fire. That man a push on pan it and the tight figure on pan the man and in the brother. One of man finger come like one little hood in the brother. And that the man, the comfy pushing thing inside of me, brother. Comfy feel me prostate, brother. One man we put on one gloves XXL, brother. Remember, man. My little rump, man. Never touch it, man. You understand me? I say, and imagine you go there for the first time and look at what the man on the send. Eh? Brother? I know none of them not see me to blood. Me not go back for the result, brother. Me not go back for the result for blood test, brother. I know none of them not see me, brother. Wife come on and ask, how was it? Me say, all right, I'll know. Then tired for call. Then tired for call. I'll know me no go back, brother. I'll know. You're mighty God of Daniel, brother. No, sir.
No,
What do you know?
No, sir. Yo, man say, yo, that nah happen. That nah happen. You know, Bada Cat used to say, not around here. That nah happen. Right? The man say, when the man take off his gloves and him say, him pick up one gloves, he say, XXL. I want bigger level gloves, you know. The man say, one eye man finger coming like one little boy. And I say, the man say, my little rump on him. And a big old thick man on the same. And say, not happening. Well, I think me say then, big up yourself, you know, me see you earlier, you know, then, big up yourself, Spring Garden family, large up. Spring Garden family, big up on yourself, then, large up my charge. Yo, the man said, not around here. That nah going today, not happening. Not happening. Not happening. Yeah. You see me start sniffing now. You see me I tell you, so I come here good. Start sniffing already. Hey man said that nah happening. It's not happening. It nah go on. Right? The general said that nah go happen. Okay. And you know, typical Jamaican, you know, mighty God of Daniel. I be a Daniel, the Jamaican deal with about God. Juice me, the way I say.
Listen to man. People, we want to know if you sit down for a while until you know experience when the man I talk about. When we say it real, it real. Okay?
See
we
it there.
go through it, but at the end of the day, it's good to know.
Yeah, you
All
need
right?
to know.
But go for my little thing, same situation, but kind of look different. But go and but then you know the nurse come in and you know she take your vitals and ask you why you here today
And
and
set
so
you
forth
up, you
and
know.
so on.
Them always set you up with the nurse first.
Yeah.
For settle you
Nice
and
enough.
balance.
Pretty
Always
smile
send you a
and
little
everything,
pretty
you know.
nurse with little and a little finger and
Yeah.
beard this and that and set you up, man.
So I say, yeah,
now.
man. So like him said, we can't work with that. You know, even though I'm afraid, we can't work with it. Then the guy come in, you know, we don't know about the XXL part, but him come in, and the only thing we then I look on the man, and you know, and me I say blouse and skirt. They say, yo, the brother get ready for violate me bad. But then and him say, all right. Him say, drop your pants and lean over the table. After him talk to me, I'm say, all right. So we do it. I'm there scream jump the body. And him I say, all right, he said, you got to relax, buddy. He said, you got to relax, buddy.
When you see you start quinch up your body.
Yeah, man. And him said, buddy, you got to relax.
And
You
poor
gotta
them
relax.
no know say in a them situation you can't talk to a Jamaican man in a them situation and I talk about body.
Yeah.
Them don't even know know what they mean, but we don't need to hear about relax, buddy.
Yeah. So, but then, and him get like him, man, I get vexed, you know.
Yeah.
So him got the door now, and the nurse come at the door. So me hear them a whisper. So me and my big ears I try to listen good fear what them I talk about. I'm dead, I'm hear something go. Something say weird. And him come and say, all right, buddy, I got a lot of patience. We got to get this over with. The man just come over and say, man, straight in.
Right.
That's how jelly the man put the squeeze in him.
They move fast.
Yeah, man. Me say, yo, when we go to the desk, we go make the appointment. We don't want to talk to nobody. Hold on my head. We don't want to see nobody.
You see him now. Feel violated, no.
Yeah, man. We got the ball. I'm going to spot one of the nurse them. And you will make a big U-turn.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, though, it's better to know.
Yeah, you need to know.
Because I said, no, brethren, wait till the last minute, the man them look
and
healthy,
drop out.
And the man them just disappear. And it make me more wiser enough to say, yo, brother, me rather
No, and you know the thing when you say a while ago when I want to listen to Juice Media, you hear when him say the man them healthy and strong and whatever. When prostate and knock man, you know, and it's something where you get sick and you wither away and whatever. And I say,
once you find out, That's it. And you have to worry yourself. And I say, woman, every day, say then we take prostate cancer any day. Then we pay a fee because that's something curable.
Right.
And but them have other girl out there sort them out with the finger and can't tell them what's wrong with them. So me ask my brother, tell me the difference now. It feel nice, not true for you. But she can't tell you.
How that wanna go what?
Them have a woman that sort them out with their finger and can't tell them what's wrong with them. Versus a man, a doctor we can tell them, say, boy, something not right.
What you mean? The man them out there have woman a push finger up?
Yeah.
That is a thing out there, though.
Yeah. Like, brother, I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, hold on. Jamaican, man?
Yeah. The same, you remember she had talk about the Ras, the Island we, and that them other Mr. DJ get Bex in a club when the girl say, when he rings out the song, no man, and she said, what the F a lie. Yeah, man. But see man get Bex and ready to fight off a woman because they are boss and I go on.
No, when me ask, to the best of your knowledge, because you know you have 1 and 2 man out there, they make women do them thing and whatever, and all, pecking and all this. Yeah. But what I'm saying is this, I mean, me not say you're supposed to know. Yeah. But is this like you think this is like a thing out there where
brother,
regular man I take them something, the woman I finger them up there? For real?
Me have girl lay me, I'm upon the bed, lay on me looking at the mirror, and she a massage you, I want slip your finger there, me tell her, say, and she tell me, and she worse than the doctor, but relax and just lay down. No, that is not my thing.
Well, you know my thing with the enamel part though and the bead.
Yeah. Oh, that too. Me see them. Me just.
Well, you know about that. You know what the woman would come to me with that though.
All right, them have it.
No, me say you know about it. You ever hear me talk
No,
about it?
me never hear that one.
You never hear that one there yet?
No, sir.
You never hear the Ragashanti mix up there?
No, brother, me never hear that one. Look like me miss it.
Yeah, well, go and juice me that you need to hear that one because I'm a G. So you know, say me there Jamaican thing, you know, jack back, you know, just get my Ph.D. and boy, jack back and up on TV and be something, you know, man. Crazy interview, farmer street youth, doctor so and so. Oh, man, a star, you know, me I tell you, you know, girls. So you don't know, say when time that bust out now or whatever, man. A lone woman to me thing, you know, like a kid in a candy store. When I tell her, say, woman, just a drop of Miss Cherry boy, you know, me I tell you, man. Yo, front just a dash for me, you know, say, boy, hype and beer things and whatever. And you know me with my little sneaking still, me start go through, you know, man. So one day me see one, you know, I said, nah. But I get look good, man, cock up and round up and be something, you know. I say, no, sir, what's about that? You understand? I say, boom. I start throwing my little sneaking punch them in her ears and thing. And I tell us a girl shy, you know, juice me there. When I say she shy, dog. So me have to take time with her and thing because I don't want, you know, push her away and whatever. Yeah. So me have to gentle and measured in my approach, you know. Me have to go back in and look a decent boy thing and whatever because I can't too aggressive with her, you know. Because I say she naive, you know. And I say she don't know the road code, you know, because oh, she come over to me, it's obvious. So this girl then have no clue what going on out there in our world. You understand? So I take my little time with her. So when I time look at medicine I go on and think. I mean I whisper and say, yo, turn up something for you. So she said, turn up hurry yourself, man. Turn up something for you and thing and take it on another left. She said, take it on another. And she said, I said, yeah. What you mean? I said, I think we can do. So just school, man. Don't worry yourself, man. You deal with it, man. You just leave it to me, man. I don't know, you know? I mean, I hear and say, all right, no worry, I take time with you, man, and whatever. I go to it. And we'll go on with that something, you know, till, you know? Look at something I go on, you know? So, you know, I say, when they are here, no, my place, no, you know, man. And, you know, things start going on, but the situation not even, I know when you came there, You know, me I lead, you know, but me I take me little time to and whatever. I mean, you know, cause I'm in charge, no?
Yeah.
All right. I'm a dead and whatever. And, you know, look at kissing up on one and me I go out with myself, man. I saw her up on the table, look a bit and whatever, man. She did I keep down her foot and I say, put your foot round my man. I want to tell you, man. And I go on and look at buy things for her neck and she did, you know, when you know, say you go get it, but them just go on and you just have to play it through, you know. I'm a dead, but I'm me a lead.
Yeah.
I'm me a lead. Bams and one thing and close take off on the tour. We did it in a bed and one thing and then and me and my girl say, I'm wait a little bit, soon come.
Jesus, I'm done.
Well, I know, man. But what I know, man, when woman say wait a little bit, me soon come,
Yeah.
they always go to the bathroom.
Yes.
Because lady, you know, them have them little thing and sometimes women have them little thing with them have to do. Sometimes some of them do a little wiping, some of them, them have a little something with them have to do, you know? But it's always to the bathroom them go.
Facts.
This woman, Tamiana and Yekina, she's the way, she went to the kitchen. My kitchen. And me never see, but she take up her bag, one look bag where she have and go in my kitchen. So me out there now and thing and whatever and you know, look at time for when me see my girl come in with one enamel pot. You know enamel, what we call enamel. Just made her and she have her hand in at the pot. Well, I know just she have her hand in at the pot that comes so no, me not see a wine in the pot yet, you know.
Yeah.
But of course, that is rather strange, right? Who you are somebody I go start with and them go in the kitchen and come out with pot and something like what?
Exactly.
So you know me turn idiot at the same time. So me I like, so me dip on the bed, you know, well spread out, you know. And the boy up or whatever, you know, star boy something, you know. I want you to come back in at this because so when me see she come with the pot now or whatever though, me sit up in her bed.
Yeah.
Right? When me, everybody knows that my body talk to me, right? Them know my body talk to me, right? Everybody know. Every whole I know. All TamFam. So when me sit up now, my body said to me, what the you carry in a right you know? You know, long me I tell you, say, Bill and thing, you're too hype. I mean, I talk to my body, you know, telepathically, I say, just cool, man, I could see what I go on for and whatever. And my body, I tell me, say, nervous, right, you know, and whatever. So me just calmly say, what that?
Yeah.
She said, don't worry about it. Turn over. What you say? Turn over. What you mean? You mean if you turn over? Yeah, just turn. No, me not. No, Is what that in the pot? What you having at the pot? What can me see notice her hand shine, you know?
Yeah.
And I when me see her hand come up now, me see one like one, you know, like that's a necklace, but a be a black bead on it. Be a black bead. Yeah, bead. And the bead, them are some black chain like with bead on it and shine in the island. So when me see that, you know, my body said, not a ras, you know. Step up. So right away before me could have said nothing, my body start ball out, you know, not a ras. And my body said, not a ras. Him say, I'm out. Boom, me would drop right down.
Yeah.
Right down my would drop and thing, and my would just start saying, hey, we're not going there.
Yeah.
And thing, and I say, my girl, I'm straighten up now. I say, my girl, where you go with that? You tell man for turn on. What you go do? Now, she said, you know, say, yeah. She say, you know, say, you broke me out and thing and whatever. Then when I broke out one and then I know. Don't worry yourself, man. Turn on, man. Go on your belly. No? I say, go on my belly, my bump. I'm not go on no belly. Leave my place.
Yeah.
Leave my place. What you gonna do with that? You tell me about me for turn around and beat her. Leave my place. I tell her leave my place. At that time, you know, me never know what it was, you know. And when me touch a road and I tell my virgin and I said, John was star, we don't even know how I reach me. I think them I say, they never know about beading.
Yeah.
No, me never know.
Yeah, man. But end up, the girl was
Yeah.
big in the church. When me then I drive, me just left Ocala in the bush. I'm come up Palm Beach, a big man. She send taxi come get me, everything, brother. And while me there, I'm looking at the mirror, staring at the mirror. So and she said, just relax, lay down, and then me there, I'm sit up one little box. I said, well, I'm here for it. So me there, I look, so me reach over, go get the box, go pick up the box now, and it's something drop out now and dildo. And she tell me about it creates it natural juice and me need for relax. Me say, yo, me go home and me say, man, me don't know if nobody know about blue balls. Me say, man, me say there's something hurt because me look on her, me say, she call me a mama's boy. She call me everything in the book.
Them
me
go
no care.
from me as some man, but I try come and use them psychology point about mama's boy. Whatever, you're not doing it.
But one of my brethren lose in marriage over she, and me never know. If me didn't know, say meet her, because I look all freaky boy, And she borrow money from him and say, boy, she want to fix her car. And if me didn't know, I would have tell him, say, yo, brother, that is not a loan. You just give her the money. And she turn him out.
Yeah, woman no borrow money from her.
Yeah, she turn him out. So him go a fear yard now, and our next man there, and he go show up him colors. And she go a film yard now, and they pick them everything, the whole neighbor watch it. Match a man get fling out, clothes, dash out everything. And me look for them and me shake head. But me tell her, say, if I did me say, my
the freakiness both.
Yeah, it catch a man. But yo, Sister Mary, I go a store with her, she buy some $800 glass something. She couldn't be satisfied. Put it that way.
Yeah.
He was a nympho. But me tell her, I said, me, not in them something there. Long, it take me.
Just made them. Let me tell you something, man. Them have a thing named post-traumatic disorder, right?
Yeah.
On average, post-traumatic disorder can go up to like 3 months, sometimes 6 months. You know what I say? Years after that, like a woman said, wait a little bit, my soon come. Anxiety take me.
Yeah, because you don't
anxiety.
know what about the bathroom.
Yeah, no matter just show you the impact we have upon you years later and whatever. Anytime a woman say, me soon come back, it's like my mind just gone in one different space, like, boom, but you get careful, what you go on now. But a regular thing, woman go bathroom before them go do,
but come out now with whip and cat suit me here and me say, what?
I mean, it's a regular thing, woman go bathroom before, for whatever, but them, Then know say, then after that, I start hear about the something them and thing and whatever. Know say you have some people walk around with something and keep it inside of them name butt plug. You did hear about that?
Yes. I have a girl from the job. She say, you think I'm happy because I see you? She say, I got my little friend with me. And me there go. Me, I look through the front glass, one little check-in glass on the truck, then pull up the fuel. So me, I say, what friend? And she starts smiling and look down. Me say, oh hell, my God. Yeah,
but that must mean there's something around this, because the woman them have the front one now,
But she showed me the whole eye, she tell me, that's why I learn.
She tell us they're around this.
Yeah, man. I'm going to learn a whole heap from them because it vibrates and everything. So them girl, I learn a whole heap from them. I try to show them, say, yo, that's not my cup of tea.
But you know what nice do? Them have some right now where the woman can have it on, right, so?
Yeah.
Well, you can do Japan and she over here, and you can turn it on pan her.
Damn.
You know what I mean?
No, sir.
Yes, man. Them man, they can control it for anywhere in the world, man. Yeah, and she have it on and thing, and when you can turn it on, and say, what's up? Yeah, we kidding out. Which part of them be at work, you got turn it on. Yeah, man, you can. Yeah, man. Technology and them something they nice, man. I be not going out there with them things.
But now gonna lie, still, Cavi, you did there look, and me always I say, boy, Cavi, you're rough, you're tough, Cavi, look like she just tie up on the ceiling fan. But me sorry, if me they ever forgot it in the world again, I might as well become a nun. Because the things them are going out there today.
Yeah, some of them can't manage them, man. Then all the one cookie man stress, you know, read the play with she already. I'm afraid that she too, you know.
Me see that.
Yeah.
No, believe the way you say, you know, I jump asleep.
Yeah. No, I'm afraid that she too, man. I'm afraid that she too, man.
Yeah, man. Cause remember the first time when we the swipe and the girl look at me and pour me fresh out of Jamaica, you know, there New York, and just read Florida, no man. And when we see the girl, nice church girl, you know, I'm dead. And she look at me, I'm dead, me I try going and she push me away. And me say, what? And then she lift me up and she say, one up. So me say, one up? I say, one up at the exit.
Well on. One, where she dey on her knees, her back, and she did that give?
Yeah, but she want me to go one door up.
No, that's why me I say up, come on, what up is. So she give her back, and she say one up. If you go upstairs.
And I pushed me away. She said that the only way
she
he
pop
can
off.
get turned on.
No. You know see them by social media. I only a woman that claim say I want the back door make them pop off.
Me sorry, me no want to know. She tell me about it the next day with one brother named David. Me say more power to him. But me not do it. One of them I look at me and I tell me, see me I look on the pooms. And I stare at it. She said, come on, baby. Just go ahead. Just chew on it like bubble gum. And poor me. See me I look at it. I mean I go, I wish I thought.
So well on, them you never troops it?
No, sir. Me just starting. I'm just fresh in the game. I mean that I look on that.
No, when I just me there, you never like just even just brush your lip on it.
No, sir. When me the first start, but no man, me the selfish bad. Me never like.
Well on. You never look on it closely.
No, me just I steer upon it. I'm there.
Well on, you never answer my question, man. You ever go near close to it and look on it? Good.
Not that one day. Not that
one day.
But later on, you know. But
later on, what?
It was a long time. You can't even count.
What?
No, for real.
What?
It took me a while, brother, for even getting at the swiping. Would I say years? No, for real, man. Because I said, where she got people for you? And I let them something.
No. Yeah.
But see me, was like a little kid. See me, I look at the something. And she said, come on, baby, come on. Come here, I kiss you on the top and everything. And she keep on and push me.
All right, people, I'm going to show you something right now. Hold on. People, I'm going to show you something right now. And that's not a lie, me I tell. Juice me that come from my age group and then come from the street like me. Just me that tell him say when we did young and Jamaica still did a ghetto year around where we come from, I burn out that left. The people them from the Eastern Caribbean, when them come over, them find it strange that we had because that was like nothing to them over Trinidad and them place there, you know, the soca people, them, you know. And it was this big thing where the Eastern Caribbean, I said, Jamaican them backward, them backward, like what them having a problem with swiping for headers and could eat things and whatever. And what you know, I said no. When me did that outer and whatever, me live for come hear people I say, oh, nobody can swipe and get headers and get it and eat like Jamaicans and whatever. Them I said, make people tell you when me had the outer order, the amount of call me get and people them say, them are left foreign and go Jamaica because the Jamaican them bad pan swiping and thing and whatever. That me live for come see something where we used to say, I be a foreigner do that and people
exactly
and whatever. And the people them say, Jamaican them bad pan the thing right here now.
But one thing me can say, nobody can claim say me out them and nyam. No. You know how long it take me and our relationship.
Yeah.
Okay.
See
because your brother that would come on a long time and him you need to bring back Squirt King.
No, but
him and make a bag of money, you know, brother.
I do.
For swipe.
Like on
camera. Like literally I make bag of money. People fly him out to them. The man I make money.
Well, but
Mr. Brown's cup?
No, but remember, you know, bingo player Jamaica enough, you know. Enough bingo player. And you know, in the number system, every number have a meaning.
Yeah.
You know, drop on, when people call it drop on or whatever. And this come from, it's actually, even though the Chinese and bring it, it's very much strong in Africa too and whatever, in terms of the number system. And when Bingo play on 69 call, them always said what the meaning first before, you know. Them say thief 5, you know. You know, them always call the meaning first and then them call the number.
Yeah.
And from where I go up here, people I say top and bottom nasi nigga 69.
Yeah. See that?
Anytime Bingo play and whatever. Yeah, and you know, say reach a point where some elders tell me, I say, Raga, he said, go on to Jamaica long time, you know. Long time.
It just know
It just hide. They just
Yeah.
hide. You know, talk about it at all. But it just hide. But it a go on long time.
Yeah.
Long time. Yeah. You think out now. You
Yeah,
think out.
but some man them get bringle with it. Me notice them get bringle. Me some man go to the point where me have to all a hold him and say, brother, cool man. And she did rub it in, you know, and say, go boy.
No,
Oh,
some
so-
man,
you know, whatever boy.
yeah, some man too, then go on too much with it, though. Yeah. Me I watch one video today and I'm Jamaican man. I first thing him I bring to this woman here, who whatever. And then she and a beer that him I bring to her, and then she said, well, these men, they got game. I mean, I said, B, that's not a game. You walk up to a woman and I tell her, I want to say, you want to eat her. That's not a game.
Yeah.
That's not a game. Woman, them tired of that right now. They hear that every time they touch the road, they hear that. And somebody like Daniel now, round up and sexy and whatever and thing. And be that man tell her when Daniel touch the road, and Daniel clean up and touch the road and thing. The man, them just want, nah, and all these things. Don't it, Daniel. Don't it, Daniel. Tell them no. When them see her walk, I go down the road and whatever, jeez and peace. Them no matter how the chicken stew, them just want to eat it down.
all the little buff and shine. Me always hear man out the road, I swear.
What? Buff and shine?
Yeah.
What?
So
me know about shine. Me know about shine, but what?
Yeah. Buff and
So
shine,
what?
them a get ahead, man. And me,
okay.
I
I
me
then
sit
I
down
mean
with my little self, so me I take it, you know, and me I say, blur that, me I have to go find somebody I know, to go find out I really what's sweet about it. But why me don't know if I the wrong one me get, man, but me have to tell, no, me have to tell her, no, stop, stop.
You see it.
I bare teeth, like she didn't open, like she didn't want, like me just shape up the one boy. Me say,
No, but you couldn't teach her. You're not teacher.
No, sir, me don't know what to teach her, say, because me figure she supposed to teach me something when she did it.
Oh, okay.
So me, it's a boy, me tell her, boy, me not lie to you, me not enjoy it. So she must be getting her feelings or whatever, and then I go back now, I see one of my uncle and I say, yo, brother, I feel like say girl that. Like she just a crack up. So, like she did, man, say, man, look like you get the wrong one, man.
Yeah, she never know what she do. She never know what she do. She never know what she do.
Everything is a learning process.
I saw it go, man. I saw it go. Big up yourself, you know, my brother.
Yeah, man, but
yourself,
all of the man them right now, I mean, I talk to all of the man them, I want the woman to encourage the man them to go get them thing themselves checked.
Prostate, yes.
Have the medical, when you go do it. It better safe than sorry. Even if you have to live an extra 30 years on top of wherever, just go get your things sorted out. No, what? Don't even look on the doctor finger. Just go in there, take a shot of white rum. I just go in there, I just get it over with. Yeah, man.
Yeah, and nobody now if you know say you do nobody.
Yeah, me know, but the nurse them at the desk know.
No, I'm not talking about the nurse. I just said to the man them who, the Jamaican man them who hold them out and say, me rather dead. That happen.
Yeah, exactly. Don't stand to the brethren mouth to know upon a telling about man I gotta do this too no rare.
Yeah.
Yo, just it did catch me. Me not gonna lie. But my uncle said at the end of the day, him said, nephew, go and go get your thing check out, my brother. Now listen to it. Now listen to them. Him said, go get your thing sorted out, my nephew. Just like that. And that stay with me. I'm going to do it. And lucky enough, everything good. And as a matter of fact, me just schedule all the appointment for go and make sure get everything, the colonoscopy, all that. I'm going to get on a thing sorted out.
See, there it goes some man. Joe
Man, I got respect for brother. But they are same way, you know. I do
I'm G, you know, I just want to respect for
home. And yo, big up my brother in Mount Vernon, there, you know, him always in a sneak round somewhere. I don't see him, but I know say him there. Because he must screen record something and send it to me. Leighton Peter. I think you could have probably all know him too, you know.
What him name?
Leighton Peter.
Leighton Peter.
Yeah.
Leighton Peter, big up yourself, me G. Your brother say you're there somewhere, itch up in one corner, I sip some Hennessy and just watch it crowd neatly.
Me tagging or something. Me didn't mean to mess with you. You see this?
Yeah.
1.7 liter Irish cream.
Hold on, let me bring it up. No, hold on, I need for seed. Hold on, wait. I need for seed.
This is the Sam's brand.
Yeah,
1.7. And me serve one of this. Would I swear to not drink Bailey's all night.
That?
For $16.
Sam's?
Sam's Club. And Costco Habito.
Let me see it again. Let me see it again. Hold on, let me see it again.
$16.99, 1.7 liter, 75 liter.
No, we are basically, we are say it tastes just like Bailey's.
Just like Bailey's.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that. No, I don't believe that.
Get all the Costco one. Remember, Brethren was sell it to people all night in the club. All the big Costco vodka, sell it to them for Grey Goose all night. And the brute them don't know. The big old bottle, so.
And them think a real thing. No, but when we serve that to them and them think a Bailey's.
They think, man, I'll make the bartender then full up the bottle and run.
What the brand name?
Irish cream?
No, man, we have to say the brand.
No, it's just Irish cream.
No, I know, but that's the members mark. That is the brand.
Yeah.
The brand is members mark. Irish cream is the yeah, all right. Irish cream liquor, but it's members mark is the brand.
Yeah, and Costco I want to, and let me say the Costco one even better.
Oh, Matthias, Costco ain't named there one eggnog from them today. Buddy, go on.
Yeah, man,
creamy.
Costco have some things, man.
The Costco eggnog creamy. I love stuff creamy and nice and sweet, you know.
Only thing you have to add like a rum to it.
Well, no man, if I Appleton.
Yeah, look at Appleton.
No, you see the white rum, man. Jamaica. When I thought the one of them sell up here, I thought the one of them sell at Jamaica. You know?
Well, I have that one of them. I have a whole of them. My collection, the normal, I have to build one shelf. I can't show you the one of them down the bottom, though, because they're the big boy.
You see it. Well, on. So, what that you're showing in your room, let me go see that again. I want that a while ago. Me see. Jesus and peace. I saw you go out, Juice Media. Let me see that. Let me see. Papa Jesus, could they?
You see this?
Could they? Let me see that one. Raise that one.
Martel is a cognac.
Yeah, man. That the boy. Yeah, Martel.
All right, now look for that one if you know that one. Yeah. It's a $7,000 right there, so.
What that one then name?
Louis V. Well fermented.
Hold on, a $7,000 for that bottle?
Yep, and the bottle of crystal. Like big and serious.
So hold on now. When was the last time you drink any out of that?
Boy, me no bust it yet, and me have some friends.
You know what me yet?
No, sir. You know what me yet? Me have some friends.
So hold on. Where you have it there? You're not going to drink it?
Me somewhat of a collector.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a collector. So the majority of the one them on there is a collection.
Oh,
like them rare.
Right. Just like my brethren, my people, who do that with wine. Them just have the wine. Them not drink them, but then collect.
And if you drink them, man, I swear to you, man, it feel like something I go through your skin. All of the Chinese one, man.
That one the name?
That one has some Chinese concoction. I don't know how just eat and it's pretty.
Oh, that one. That Chinese one there named Kikofa.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's a Kermit and thing.
It just make you feel nice and warm. But just hope say the Jamaican one, them have a little branding to it soon because they buy my little parish. So hopefully them can gain a little collection upon them too. So my next buckle me a pre right now. But wife now give me the okay to pick it up yet. But we'll see it go.
People in the era of marriage, you see why marriage work and people stay in the era of the man say, wife now give me the permission to pick it up yet. You know, look a young boy we hear that now and start type on a guana and they don't know the thing set. You understand? It's a partnership.
There you
right?
go.
It's
You
a
know what them tell
partnership.
me? You know what my little foo when they tell me? Yeah, your wife and bank account together. Like, really, boss?
Like duh.
Me look at them and I go, okay, no problem. She
Yeah,
would
what's
call
the
me and say,
problem?
boy, babe, she say, me want something. She said, no, not today. Wait till next week and me can't get
Yeah.
it. And me
Yeah.
not get vexed. She deal with the books. And me reward her too. She deal with the books because people think it's simple something. And a whole heap of work when it comes to budgeting and make sure everything nice. And then we can sit down and say, you know what, make we go eat a dinner tonight and we're good.
Right, right.
And even if
right.
for $500, we're good because we budgeted and we say, all
Right.
right, and every day we do it, make we go out and have fun.
Right.
Yeah, man.
And I'm glad you're saying this because Munchie had a relationship broke up like about 3 months ago because our then boyfriend and my budget together, but he must go Red Lobster by himself and she boxed him down. Right out she boxed him down. Yeah, out of Green Acres Plaza, she boxed him down over Green Acres. You know where Green Acres, Acres Mall?
Green Acres on Long Island side there, sir.
Yeah, Long Island, Queens bar, right at the edge, and whatever. They box him down flat down there because our boyfriend go Red Lobster and whatever.
So we can't go Red Lobster, that is the question.
No, him say him go alone and thing and whatever, but she said that him never get permission from her for God. Just go to the point where some of us want if he listen and hear say, uno do the same thing, but it's done in a civil manner, right?
Yeah.
It's civil and with mutual respect and whatever. And Munchie box down the boy flat out of Green Acres Mall right there, so and thing police come out there and all them thing. The whole relationship mash up and thing and whatever.
Yeah,
and then I thought about she did barely touch him.
Bro, scum. But nothing wrong with it, Sin. Me not see nothing wrong with it. Me not gonna lie to you.
You not see nothing wrong with Munchie box down the boy?
Well, I mean, that one there, I saw more to the box down there. Trust me. Is either in the carts one of our friends them got Red Lobster before?
No, I can't believe you do that something that the woman them do.
There is something more to it. There's something more to it.
Just me that you can't do that. That the woman them do. When man do something wicked, him wicked. When woman do something wicked, I want him do for make you do that and whatever. And you do the same thing too. Don't fall for it, my brother. Don't fall for the okie doke. 1792, that one they look sick, no.
It's a bourbon, straight raw bourbon.
Damn.
And then I couldn't resist that one because it come with two pretty glass.
Yeah.
Don Julio for
well, to somebody in the chat, then them say she was wrong. Louver writes, Munchie was wrong. Thank you, you're Louver. Well, that Don Julio.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the one now, what I want now, $142 fee. But yo, if you try it, yo, the thing is just smooth and nice. Me that a drink kind of. Me control the buckle them, you know. People, me telling you something. Them buckle them, me control them. Them don't control me.
Yeah.
I'ma tell my son that me walk him over and show him. I say, brother, the day them buckle start to control you, you're in trouble.
Well, you see what Munchie right? Thank you, Juice Media. Kiss me, baby. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, generally. Do it.
So, hey, Munchie, that give two right banana.
What?
Listen it.
When you say two right banana.
Two right banana, Munchie.
Yeah.
And a shot at Dan Olio.
Jesus have mercy upon me, lad, right now. No, Juice Media. You know, Munchie, you know.
No. Listen, the name alone. You know, you that talk about the name last night.
She did there last night when we had talk about the name.
All right.
Munchie.
Okay.
No. All I'm suggesting to you is, and this is just an advice. You don't have to follow it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay? It's just an advice. I'm just saying it might not be a good idea, you know, to give Munchie like banana or plant. That's it.
So well on. Oh, let me get. See the demonstration there. Remember, see that talk about? If you didn't turn it that way,
a double lock.
Turn it that way. It's a weird thing. And it's good way. Now it's weird now.
Double lock. What's up?
Yo, you see what I tell you?
Yeah.
You see the world what we living at today?
What are we? You pay attention in a class, see?
Brother, me nah listen.
Yeah.
Yo, my wife, she in the background. I be a dead chat. They do like, she said, oh, you're I know a ragga there. And she asked about Iliad because she said Iliad Vice. When she hear Iliad Vice, she just have to laugh.
Everybody, enough people when them hear alien by. Some people them say them annoyed by it. Some think them thing is the cutest thing.
Yeah. So me tell
Yeah.
her, say, yo, man, Iliad a bashment, man. Don't worry yourself, man. But
You
people
see.
who want the plant here,
A banana that and a plant that.
a plant this,
A
and
plant.
this shit that talk
One
about
one
banana
the
no
curve.
curve
That
like
one the
so.
that one the curve bad do dog.
All right. And that one that
John,
she talk about.
We are well on. Double lock Tracy, where you there?
Yeah.
Double lock Tracy, where she
Tell
there?
her
Where she there?
me overnight
Tracy.
it to her.
Yeah,
It's
Tracy,
still
see
green.
your thing, you get a curve, or with some woman say a bender.
Yeah. See
Yeah.
that? Overnight
See
it. FedEx.
See her
Me
there,
FedEx
she
it
in
here.
a chat, two blessed Tracy, double lock Tracy, so one of your thing, a bender.
Yeah,
Bend up
man.
and curl up and be a things, yeah.
Overnight it here. You said that wear ya in your belly, but that wear ya, he touches something around her back. And it does.
No,
it does.
but you see how much woman they run out in the chat and say, no, too she attack, yeah, right, once me do that and thing, pop off and whatever and thing, yeah. So people learn.
Well, I said something, boy, I can't say, look, man, we keep it noise on clear
Yeah,
because
we
I
should,
reach back my yard still, but
Yeah.
why would I nice to really look and see and go, wow. Hey, just a little peek. Wow.
Yeah.
Let me run go home because I'm going to try that and see what. Look, where you go with that?
Where you go with that? You
Yeah,
come with your
I fry
foolishness
it.
half a Raga show, don't
Yeah, I gonna fry it.
you see? All right. Hello.
Put my baby on there. Hi.
Hi, what's up? How are you?
Good.
All right, bless
The
you.
second daughter, she left me yard empty
Hey, stop telling my business.
and come back
Stop
full.
telling my business.
No, that's okay, darling. That's okay.
Exactly.
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah,
Your
man.
family.
So first grandfather in the place, so much love and it's a big
All right,
feeling.
respect, man. It goes
Yeah, man.
some,
But
man.
ladies, please encourage your man, them man, boyfriend, side man, whoever man for just go get them thing. Yeah.
Yes,
Check
indeed.
up on thing. All right. There's nothing wrong with it.
Indeed.
And go with them too.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold them on while the doctor there with the size extra, mighty God and daddy. Yeah.
All right, Juice
All right,
me.
brothers,
That's
I
our
respect
word.
my
Yeah,
brother.
man.
Always a
Respect,
pleasure,
man.
my brother.
Anna, man.
And me still want to cut them.
Well, yeah, when we drop back to Thailand next year, me I forward with it. I bring the group go the next year. All right.
All
That's
right.
our
Yeah,
safety,
man.
papa.
Manners and
Cool.
respect.
Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, next year, December 1st, group trip, TamFam and thing, who want come, right thing, Thailand, the thing there. One hand, some people say, we play back his sickness, so I could just list it back again. So, again, a brethren, then time if we go get him look at test and thing, and this is his account of what occurred.
The woman say, boy, you're 42 now, youth, so them say if you check your prostate. So I say, all right then, make the appointment, because, them have insurance, Some of them pay for them insurance, so she make the appointment. And me go, my son. Nice little petite Indian doctor, Nice girl. A nice young lady then, let me say that. Talk to me and reason, me take my vitals and do me look a test. Them take some blood from me because them have the blood work. And them give me an overall checkup, And them have send the guy lab. So I say, all right then, go and do nothing, brother. So she said she have to check now my prostate, you understand? And she said, boy, them have to insert, them finger and feel up and down and feel if the prostate, the gland has swell. You understand? For all who don't know about the prostate, brother. The prostate I want to hold the sperm water. Not the sperm, the lubricant. For when the sperm come down, it mix with the fluid. You understand? So sometimes that swell up and push against your pipe. Will carry out the pee-pee through your hood. You understand what I say? So when that swell up now, it kind of block off the pee-pee hole. You push against it and kind of close. Just like when you have a hose and you squeeze up your hose together and the water come out a little bit, same way. So each time when you pee-pee, or when you use the bathroom, it's like you have to shake, because all light never really come out. You understand, flow straight like that. You understand, like when you're a young boy or your son or so. So your prostate get bigger. So you feel if you see, what size it is and estimate it and so. So I say, all right, no problem. So she say, all right, somebody will be there. So I said to myself, I sit down in my room now, she take off my clothes and put on my little gown and sit down on bed and wait. I say, the lady must go and wash her hand and clean up herself, to come back in, come test the prostate, come insert. Me look on her finger, them and nice petite girl. I say, all right, then, must handle that. Brother, me say no man. To judgment all people. Mighty God of Daniel. All of a sudden, me don't know where this doctor come from, brother. One big, thick man, brother. You know the white man with oversized, brother. And one of them man, they come in, brother. And when me look on the wall, man, I take the one gloves, man. Me know gloves, And then latex gloves, okay, you know about them things because I'm nurse, not do, And Miss Venice and all our ladies and the chat, and know about them things, them. Me say the gloves, where the man take out of the box, mark XXL. Me blood fire. XXL. Listen, me blood fire. That man a push on pan it and the tight figure on pan the man and in the brother. One of man finger come like one little hood in the brother. And that the man, the comfy pushing thing inside of me, brother. Comfy feel me prostate, brother. One man will put on one gloves XXL, brother. Remember, man. My little rump, man. Never touch it, man. You understand me? I say, and imagine you go there for the first time and look out upon the man on the send. Eh? Brother, I'll know none of them not see me to blood. Me never go back for the result, brother. Me not go back for the result for blood test, brother. I'll know none of them not see me, brother. Wife come on and ask, how was it? Me say, all right, I'll know. Then tired for call. I'll know, me not go back, brother. I'll know. You're mighty God of Daniel, brother. No, sir. What the end?
Yeah, hold on, make I do this thing here with TikTok. Yeah, the man say him do him go back for your result time, whatever. The man not take no check. Him do him not go back for your result. Not even the result in general I go back for. Cause him not able him go back for your result and him all go trip and drop on them sitting there and whatever, and before you know it, him get out a look a violation and thing, Yeah, and when me listen to this, today, man, I tell you, man, people must think that me a idiot in a place, man, because I be laughing, me depend me, I tell you, low and laughing. Anyway, we there, people, no don't know, no don't forward, we no mix up them and come make we know what go on, all right? The forward with the mix up them and make we know what go on. Everything is everything, though. But yeah, man, Joe Smith, right, and Ragashanti, I say it, I better wanna live, though. When have people who are depend upon and thing and whatever, and if you for live, is for just even if you want quietly go do your little test and forward, nothing wrong with that. Nobody not for two no. You understand? Just live, man. Just do what you have to do. Them have to. One time I did I hear one talk, and them have one non-invasive. Why none of these things here come true? I want one. None of them are come true. I bring in everybody and thing and whatever. I go down the line, but the whole of them are. Oh, man, I know I want one, About. Oh, see, DC are coming in here. DC?
Look here.
Yeah.
Look, first and foremost, me not take the DC name there, Nah, take it.
Yeah, don't own it here. Don't own it. Don't own
Me
it.
not own that one.
Sometimes some things.
I'm going to take big beer. But you not call me DC. Me
Nah,
not take that
call
one.
you DC. No disabled chicken name run here.
Teddy Bailey's. Me like Teddy Bailey's. Me like that one there. Okay,
Yeah.
but big and serious. Me going to talk to you real quick.
Yeah.
Me really want to say, this your subject is a thing to me for two
Right.
reasons. Not just because me's a nurse,
Right.
but it touched home for me. May I tell you real quick? My
Mm.
father,
Yeah.
he died at the age of 42 because of prostate and colon cancer.
Gee, young age, that you know, man.
Young 42, made it 5 at the time. Me could remember. And me feel say, for what me could have seen, it was the stubbornness. No one
Yeah.
go do the test.
Oh, you untouch your, yeah, you unmute your phone a while ago.
Sorry,
yeah,
sorry
well,
about
yeah,
that.
that's okay.
Like I said, and the stubbornness when they want to go do the test.
Yeah, yeah,
And if you need do it, God, you know what could happen. You know what I say?
yeah, yeah,
So me strongly encourage every and anybody.
yes,
Trust me. And although we take thing and make joke, but
Yeah,
serious
correct.
thing, just go do it, man. You know how much time they call me as a nurse into the room to come encourage the man if you do the test?
yeah, if you talk to them, yeah,
If you talk to them, if you sit down and reason with them, the way that man they explain it on that that's it. It's funny, but I truth if I talk.
right.
But-
No, it's a serious
Yo,
thing,
man, it's a serious thing, but people have to go check that shit now. I'm not to play with, man.
Yeah,
Big and serious. Prostate and check your and do your colonoscopy and thing like that too.
see it there. Indeed. All right, now say
Like
a
it-
word.
like
Yeah. Go on,
Yeah,
go
man,
on.
No, me said, like you were saying, there is a non-invasive way to check the prostate, then call it the PSA, one blood work what they do. But they also encourage the prostate check at least once a year, where you do an annual for just check. Because even though the blood work is one thing, you could have catch it some other way if you do the physical, what they call digital rectal exam.
What them call it? Digital rectal exam.
Digital rectal exam.
Let me, and people, I just want to remind you, some of you may not know this. I know most of you are used to the term digital as it applies to technology, meaning electronics. But again, do remember that fingers are digits, and that's where it comes, right? The word
Right.
digital comes from.
Correct.
So it's mean your finger rectal exam and thing or whatever. Yeah. But to the best of your knowledge, though, why them have to use two finger?
Because that is how they
It's two them use or one. It's two them use or one.
It's two them use because that you use the tool to guide and determine if there's any what they determine what they're looking for is the swelling or any nodules.
But
that
don't
would
you
indicate that
think that whatever
Then
they
they say
hold
one
on.
finger is not enough. Me know you're gonna say Raga. Me know you're gonna say. And for years we are talking about.
What do you mean you know me? What do you mean you know me?
No, I know you alone. Listen, I know you alone. You know how much man me have to use in person.
Nah,
Man.
nah,
Why do you
nah.
not have to use two fingers? You can't just use one. Why?
I don't understand
What
it.
look for?
What the two are gonna find where the one can't find? Why one finger for have a friend and get a second opinion? Why you have to have a second opinion finger up there and think? But what the two finger go up and the one and say, okay, did you feel what I feel? And we concur? We're on the same level, whatever.
That's
No,
exactly what it is.
one finger can't find what two have to find.
The best way one emergency room attendant explained it to me said that you use the two finger because they use to compare and contrast.
What? In touching for you see you keep up your foolishness about compare and contrast. What you mean? The two finger them.
That's what it that.
I lie them and tell. They don't need to put down two finger there. One is enough. One is enough.
Well,
But me I know a doctor, so me shut up and think. All right, Papa, that's the word. Yeah, cool, man.
all right. Blessings, brother. Blessings.
Yeah, man. Mhm.
All right, cool.
Training nurse, where I go down? Where you going with up hard for there? In training nurse, how you up to hard for them? Mind yourself, you know. Big up all of my CT people, man, I'm a Connecticut people, man, and now my Hartford people, especially and thing. A long time when I juggle with me, you know, from busy radio, I carry Ragashanti life from Jamaica, you know. So large up on yourself, you know, and big up Boston who drop out and thing already and sitting, you know it go. Boston, large up yourself. Hartford people, big up yourself, you know. Big up on yourself. Junior Wellington, big up yourself. Okay, hello. Hello? So, you have something that playing in the background there. You can move it from it and be a nice it on me.
I'm pretty for mute.
Yeah. Something still a play still, but go and talk, yeah. Hello? Hello? You want what? You want sex me? Why? Why you want sex me? Eh? Eh? Cause what? What you want to do to me? What you want to do to me? I can't hear you because the thing I make nice and you go somewhere quiet, man. Move away from me nice, man. Eh? The what? The grace what? Oh, the grace sweat bottom. Oh, what? You see something they say what you want to do? What you want to do? You want to boom it off, don't? Ah, did right, you know, then. So if me and you juggle, what you da do to me? Eh? Eh? So if me and you juggle, what you da do to me? Where you gone? Ah, what that? What you do? What you do? Eh? You have your rose? You have your rose? You use your rose right now? Hold on, no, man. You use your rose right now? Eh? Yo, why you not talk to me, man? Why you not talk? You use your rose right now? You nobody know. Nobody know no one come broke out Miss Cherry boy, though. I broke no one come broke out innocent me, though. Yeah. I broke no one come broke out innocent me. Yeah. And see why you know me no want you see why me no want blink when me there run coffee door. That me I tell you no here. You think a different time we living now with them woman and nowadays them not take no check, you know. Yeah. When we did young and whatever, the amount of woman never step to man, so bowl. A different time, we in a right, you know. Kenny Atta? No, man, Kenny, you just come, man. You don't know what going on over here. I know if for something like that, come on this show, yeah, man. Or whatever. You don't know what a clock a strike, Kenny, and thing. Yeah? No, man, I tell you, say, them woman nowadays a different thing, man. Cause I just find it in. Remind me, I'm a old man, you know, people. Man, I tell you, man, I like that. I'm a old man. So I know the difference now and then. And I'm telling you, women are bolder now. Like, much bolder now. Like, women, you know, there's a kind of freeing, a kind of liberation of, a kind of erasure of certain prohibitions that once existed. Some fence where they did it, them fence kick down right now. And when a woman wants something, them just step to man and tell man, say, oh, I want me to I got. Them don't run for go up to man and whatever. You know, me like to say, when I tell her, me don't want you know. Me don't want there with you. Me don't look you, me don't want there with you. That's why I want to. And then one day amuse me more than anything else. You know, so I just tell her, brother, I don't want you, I don't want a man, I don't want to tie down with a man or whatever, but January, I'm going to put on one for him. Then you have one next set and thing, you know, and sometimes you talk and whatever, you know. I'm just imagine myself as I sit down in your face. Oh, God! I'm there Bronx, you know. I'm from Bronx. And I come out People's Choice Furniture, and the nice little lady, you know, whatever, I think, Raga, wag, I'm say, wag, whatever, this and that, and this, and I'm glad to see her. First man, see, you know, but I watch you all the way, you know. Raga, you don't even know, you know, I want to wet up your face, you see. So, you know me love going like me an idiot. I say wet up my face. Oh, you know when me attack, I want to sit on your face and wet up your face and thing. So I say that's all they want to do to me. That's all I want to do to me. I never want to start you. I just want to sit down in your face and what. I say, but you don't rate me. You don't rate me, you don't respect me. You just want to come sit up on my big nose and my big head so and whatever this and that. You're out there. Hey, man, I tell you, man, woman different right you know. You still have woman shy out there, you know, but you still have woman shy out there, but yeah, you have some woman out there, you know, it's just a matter of fact thing for them, you know. Them just doing it. And you know, them not even look none, take up no residence or nothing or whatever, them just have fun. And them see a guy and like a guy, and them tell a guy, I like you. Where you feel like, come here. Yeah. Who the Tony LaBelle say, like me. I saw you stay to don't you, Tony LaBelle, don't? Eh? I saw you stay, don't? Eh? It's a 20 piece you true. Now my woman them different, you know, man. Woman them a juggle them thing different, you know, man. And different time I juggle out the road, right, you know. People them have them fun and I do them thing. All right, anybody who have any mix up, come up in the chat, make we hear what I go on. Come up in the chat, make we hear what I go on. Even this is what Tony LaBelle say, because man waste too much time. Seriously? When I know, you see what we're there now? Daniel said, I'm shy until I get comfortable and then I'm a whole monster. Me read that in a long time, Daniel. Me read that in a long time. Paper, you see what we reach, you know? Tony LaBelle said, because man wastes too much time. That is my point. It was the reverse back in the day. Well, it's still for some women, but you know what I mean? Women have always complained, say, man a rush. Man just a rush. I want this quick. Right? And man always say the woman them a waste for time. And we're there at a time I know where a woman a post and I say, oh, you mean? I move when I like a guy, I move to a guy, I make a guy know. Because the man them a waste too much. So you see it? As a woman said that, when you say that, you don't have time for waste, right? And if you're going to do this, we could just do this, right? If you want to do it, no. John, no. You know, Tony LaBelle say, yep, good to go. God, O'Neill's world, especially the women overseas, wasting no time. Dita say what? Tass, you're really late because Raga bingo. Oh, she just come. She miss a little mate down. She miss a little rate and this and that and whatever. Well, you know, a part for the course right here, so you know, so. I say people, we start testing thing already, you know. Remember me I'm telling about a place that we start test out there's something them already, some people, you know, I test out the thing online. Yeah, that's right, Daniel. Them a test it out and, you know, with them something when they come out, them always have look at problems here and there. So you need somebody for just, you know, you need somebody, you know, people go through and just, you know, use this, use that, test this, test that, and you could figure out what I go on. Somebody just coming at the live named Fat Pum Pum Goldie. Just follow me. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Fat Pum Pum Goldie. I see you. You don't even feel you yet. I see you. See Fat Pum Pum Goldie. Big up yourself, you know. Don't worry, man. Master good, I say, alien. No, I'm not alien. Yeah. Fat Pum Pum Goldie say, AI. Tas, make Goldie call in. When you love talk about make what you wanna call in, Tas? Eh? You look a set on. You know them people when in that Jamaican, we say them a bootsy war, but at party and thing. Lick him and Sharon, box him and him. Jesus, I can't believe you take that and thing. Yeah, look at boots at them. Yeah, and you not calling. She had a good story time. Who had a good story time? Who Fat Pum Pum Goldie? Weird. Wait, this is Goldie who have the shell down story time them? Is she? Hold on. Is she? This is the woman that who just tell her the something them and thing and is she? Me ratted. Hold on, is she even true? Boy, if it's who I think it is, people. Watch ya now, man. Goldie, come give me a talk, man. Come give Uncle Raga a talk. Bad girl, people. I like her, up. Some of my relatives, them, I can't believe she depend this and attack all them something. I say, I like her. She keep it 100. She keep it 100, right? Now, found on living in this kind of ignorance, on living in this bubble, right? On living in a bubble. I don't understand, say, I better you hear the something of them. So that when you're educated about them and thing, you not feel like it, you not feel want to do it, but you're educated about it. So if somebody come at you certain way, you understand what go on. Right? Because Goldie have some sitting them, I tell you. No, man, Goldie, come at me. No, I'm going to follow you. Come back up in the chat, Goldie. Come back up in the chat, Goldie. But me see, I need to follow you because I want to follow you already. Because I don't know, sometimes I just, when you shoot, Ukobita and so, Bomba, I love them name, Ukobita and so, Goldie, I go around the thing in the way of them, man. Oh, well, yeah. Well, I'm a follow though. Let me see if I follow. Oh, I am following her. Okay. Good, say you go around me, though. You go around me, though. What?
I got me things on my face there showing I come in, so me not too long wake up, me pop down.
Yes, you know your voice. How you see her, man?
No, it's not me, it's AI. You know me tell you.
AI, well, whatever, man. What?
I scroll and I say, I'm draw my eyebrow, I'm look and I see you.
You see it. Well, yeah, so what's going on? Well, first of all, I don't care nobody want to say it's an honor to have you on my show as far as I'm concerned and whatever. I've been, shall we say, consuming your well, with you, I have to be careful, I'm going to use all the word consuming. Yeah.
Well, just say you've been observing.
Yeah, no, I've been actively when you tell somebody, say, yo, I've been consuming Fat Pum Pum Goldie's content.
I'm going to ask you which
really?
content.
Yeah, really? I mean, I just say you're the Raga.
You know, everybody read everything wrong.
Exactly. So what's up? What's going on?
My day, I get ready for my little line of online work.
Yeah, well.
I hears me and watch you, know?
I lie.
I used to watch Mellow from me and look up at me.
Oh, right.
For afternoon shift.
Yeah, well, say a long time we night still, we're elder and I think right, I'm sitting.
Years. My mother said, you make my mouth so careless. I said, no.
What am I blame me for? No.
Yeah, like she never invested a morning time. What that too? She well invested every day.
No, but my morning show, my afternoon show, they were, well, back then, them claims they were edgy, but compared to what
then the edgy man.
No, out of order. If you used to listen out of order, if you used to listen out of order, that broke out enough people. I know if you have facts that broke out enough people. People
tell you come, you see your story, them I say, what?
No, but tell me.
Me just broke out.
No, my first question to you, though, is a lot of people are just shocked and alarmed, that you have this kind of, I call it empowered mindset where, you see me, I don't want to get too philosophical now, but to me, true wealth and success, you know, if you're rich or if you say you're successful, it's always about freedom. Right? If you have freedom. So, and by that, what I mean is, I know people with a whole heap of money and them not free. Them have all kind of stress and them have all kind of problem and them have these religious limitations and them have this and that in a society and them can't do this. Them not free, right? But them have a whole heap of money and them not free, right? I know people with all kind of social status and stature and whatever.
And enough of them are top supporters of mine in a high places. Them just say them can't live them life because of family.
Oh,
You have enough
okay.
what family with this so and them. Them know them family this so and them. So them live under the quiet.
Exactly. Them not
That's
free.
a lot of Jamaicans, especially in the high places, live my life, but they're quiet about it.
Them
Which
quiet
me not
about
think
it.
nothing wrong with it, none at all. I feel like people express themselves. If you want to keep it to yourself, then keep it to yourself. But if you come on the internet and I drag people knowing say you do this
Exactly.
stuff, that's where it's like, all right, no.
So that's what I said to people. I said, that is a liberated woman. That is a woman who is free, because all these conventions and these restrictions and limitations and these constraints that society designed to limit people and whatever, and some of them, they're relevant. I mean, if I go in a church, I'm not going to say, I'm free. The world ought to come drain me. I'm going to show respect, right? Because I'm in a church. You
This
understand?
is a
But me I
time
say,
and place to everything.
exactly. So when I say, but them just don't understand. No, she too slack and out of order. She too disgusting and whatever. Me, I
Feel like people
disagree.
pick up, then listen what them want listen to, cause enough learn. And I know learn in a that way there, in the bedroom way.
Right.
Enough people never exposed to things. I'm open my mouth. Them say I didn't know these things existed.
Exactly.
I say, well, at least you know. So if a man puts so and so tune or a woman puts so and so tune, you know what's up.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You're not go. Yeah. You're not gonna get
some people's
catatonic.
story are just life lesson. I mean, say if you go live it.
What's the tell me a crazy thing that that happened to you, like recently within the last year or so, you know? Please.
I don't know. I've been chill. But not like I'm kind of there chill this year. I think
Yeah.
the only thing crazy when I go take up the people and man. And no
And
man go find out say I give him the crutches and I'm mad out.
but come on, Goalie.
But
That's
I
a
really
run of the
not
mill. That's a
crazy.
run
Yeah,
of the
I
mill
really say
something.
not crazy.
That
Never been.
a go on right, you know, with everybody and thing. You know.
Like, yeah.
Me I thought like something like on, because with you, you know, you know, say this thing about hold on, you know, say this thing about story time. When somebody start and say story time, a big part of why that get popular is you, you know.
I saw me here. And you know, so my American friend them. My American friend them for come on TikTok. I say no,
Yeah.
TikTok enough for me. Cause I don't really like loud. I like do my thing.
Yeah.
I'm a stay to myself. I'm open my mouth until this day. Some friends shock them to believe me, cause everybody have it. Say me is an inside person. Me no mix.
Right. No, but this whole thing where, can you know the whole thing? Oh, story time. I will thousands, hundreds of thousands of people now. It wasn't that way before you started doing it. It's you, me, all over. Story time, and then you give you a little drama, you mix up them, and of course I saw you start all of your
And
little
then I
thing.
just gone. But me
And the
used to
thing,
think like
and the
the
thing
story
spread
time
now.
on
Yeah,
monetize from it outside of TikTok.
exactly. Well, I don't know, I could be wrong, but it's you, me, see. You did start this thing where you start your thing and it's like your brand. It's like a signature.
Yeah.
It's a signature opening. One year you say story time.
I
We're like, yo, we're going to get one good now.
Popular at all. Cause me hear people come on the internet and talk some crazy things. Just
Yeah.
because me put my hand in a pum pum and girl with a place and all of them something there. Or maybe a politician man get a strapper or two or something.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to go viral with all of the people.
When you say a politician man get a strap or two, you strap on something and put it on him.
Apply pressure.
And him like it.
Love it.
And him want it though.
Years until this day I'm look a puppet.
Jesus. And a proper politician though.
Proper politician.
Okay. What you think about, like, say, this oral sex thing, you know? It coming like nothing now. And back in the day, it was like,
Well, 2015, them tell me say me have license plate in my mouth, because I have the tongue ring. Then say me have license plate in my mouth. People
Yeah.
used to want dash with cup if not with me though, cause people come around me, them see my angle myself clean, so I never have people scan me. But the way how people used to go on back then when you have it in their mouth. No, my guy Jamaica, I see a girl with 69 in their mouth.
Yeah, no, that thing
Everybody
they gone,
open
you know.
there, I do it. Me I walk in a half a tree. A man stop me, I tell me saying would I name me from morning till night. Woman I stop me a road. I said Jamaica get serious.
Yeah, yeah.
You see in
Some
Jamaica where they on TikTok I drag me, I come to Jamaica and them I tell me all of these things out in the public. All
yeah,
party places, nice party, top party.
yeah.
Big man come up to me. Oh, I have 1,000 for you. I just want to name you out and this and that. I'm gonna say,
Regular thing that
no,
don't.
I educated, well put together man. This just come talk to me crazy. I think so.
A
Them not
them
even set me at
freaky.
Jamaica.
A
What?
them freaky. A
How
them
you
freaky.
think me do it with a Jamaica before me come a foreign? Cause them love say a foreign expose you, you know. Before me go a foreign, me there strap man, me there pissing at them out everything.
Wait.
All of that. And a Jamaican man expose me.
Well, a man like when you're pissing on them out?
Enough of them. Enough. I don't know why them have a what you call it again? Degrading king. Then love be degraded.
Yeah,
As
yeah.
enough of them, then say them always in a control. Them always them family, them loved ones always
Yes.
always expect them to
Yes.
lead. And then just want to submit.
Them want a counterbalance to it and things.
Or give the
Well,
whole
the-
paycheck and you only give them bills. And if them big good for the month, you give them a look at allowance so they can go to their friend. And let them work hard for their money. I have my money.
And that's how you deal with them though.
Of course.
All
I know
right,
for the
well,
man,
somebody, no, you have to do this to me. Do. Yeah, all right, somebody said, do the butch story time. Or what that? Run it for me, no, do.
Oh, no, me just chat. No, shut up about the butch.
Yeah, other one there.
Surprised she never said a hand. No, I'm booking on butch. Convince me.
Yeah,
Me not do that. Me not into the whole woman a act like man thing.
right.
She just full up her vibe. Like when I put on like a FaceTime.
Yeah.
Girl have me, I play with my pum pum and I wet up myself, cream up myself. I said, no man, I forgot to explore that one.
Right.
I forget to explore. So
Okay.
I'm gonna accept it now. I'm gonna make sure come on my yard.
Mm-hmm.
The girl anger me. The girl, you see, because I'm gonna lose the weight too. Just a drive me hollow vibe. Just easy drag, a lift up. No, oh, we can't even explain.
No,
Me
when
tell
it's
them
the
so me can't
angle,
tell a
when
story
it's the
time.
angle, yeah, when it's a, yeah,
Myself-
for my show, for
But I'm
balance it
so
up.
mad. No, man, I can't even express because I try to tell them, but I couldn't because, boy, I never expect it.
When it's the angle here, what she do? She act your body and
Have my
finger and
week.
style here and
I could have done
was
nothing
it
than
good?
just take it.
But was it good? Was it good?
Amazing.
Oh.
She just said, I take my soul and I look upon her. I never know what else to do. I first one girl ever have me dumb. She just did it.
No, but well, and for you, say that doing, you're not stranger to the thing and whatever. You're not baby to the thing, and for you, so somebody shell you out and have your week. And, she had to have been. So one of the shellings are eatings are jokings.
No, eating. She never
Eating, she never
Okay,
strap on.
I'm sorry. There's man existing. Why me I gotta take plastic tweedlebop for a woman? You send tweedlebop on you if you want it,
Yeah,
but
but
me
you
not
not
take
take
it. Is man I go bend me because when they have them, it not throb and it not bust, but a man won't bust. So that mean like so. Me make a woman strap me, but if me for fool around with woman, I usually me at a man.
Yeah.
But boy, me take talk that here.
Yeah. But here what I want to know. So what is so different for somebody who the eat things is like nothing to you? None know that you're supposed to bad pan it. What is
No,
so
it's everything.
exceptional
Am I a
about
weakness,
fear eating? No, what was
but it's just
but what was so exceptional about
Me
fear
don't know
eating?
what is it. Me don't know what is it because usually I love it but I prefer it from man because with a woman, I like my girl them girly pillow princess. You know, I have to do nothing. Then just be
Wait,
pretty.
what a term there?
You
Pillow
call
princess?
them pillow princess.
What's that? What's that?
Them just look pretty. Them not really do nothing in a bed. Then just lay down and take it. Whatever you dish out, then take it.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
look a prettiness on the bed. Well decorated and me
Yeah.
eat up and pamper. So it's like for a girl I try manangle me, just don't feel right.
Right.
But a girl that manangle me,
Deal with your bilious, no.
but she mixture American Guyanese. Yeah, but she
Oh,
know better. Guyanese side, she look out for me. Cause Guyanese them dangerous.
no,
I'm fool around
yeah,
with over 100 women, and none never have me so yet.
yeah.
She just have me, and she name
Well,
everything.
no, but it look like me just happen to get the two pop down sort out from Guyana because everybody else for years they must have Guyanese sort out. But the two when me get them me get some higher, but the two you never too wonderful.
They must retire them power around Jamaicans too much.
Yeah, but
But then again, Jamaicans are
everybody said the
popular, but
Guyanese them thing
the
turn up.
Guyanese them
Turn up.
dangerous, man.
Yeah.
Enough Guyanese woman me fool with some and them dangerous.
See
You
it
can't
there.
keep up. You will get burned too if you can't keep up with them.
See it there.
Them
What the biggest change you see in terms of sex and sexuality? What the biggest change you see amongst Jamaicans?
me not.
The most radical change, in terms of evolution and development and transition into something bigger or different. If you don't think say any big change, they just say, no, a big change there. But you think there's a big change out there?
You see, because me dey always exposed to it, because I know people in a high places, I know how to do my thing, because I used to get born back then, so I used to only fool around with people that have things to lose. So my thing no load up, your thing no load up, we just live. My ex-man promised me a kill him, and then they're going to take a kill, so I dey sneak him.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So me already exposed to it. It's like now it just up in the open, like it opened more. But all the things them to me was already there. So the only reason I'm share story time, because me I say people at Jamaica not even know them. It exists before even me.
Exactly.
It's just that you don't have enough money to know about it.
See it there.
That's
See it
it.
there. See it there. You know, let me tell you something. One time, the woman talk to me, as you know. The woman, the ladies, them love talk to me. And one time, a bunch of young ladies, very pretty young girls, I think, and they said that they run them the barbering. And them say, we make a lot of money from barbering. And I said, what you mean barbering? Them say, we cut here, I think. But I said, so what do? So you know, say, rich Jamaican men and whatever, they hire them and them a go for cut them here. But the whole of the woman them naked, so them a cut here and a sort out and it's a thing. So me I said, how long this a go on? It's a long time this a go on.
Long time.
I mean I said, but it's just funny how people don't know say them something a go on and they
Long
right
time,
there.
at least,
And if you ever hear the people them who
tell
are
you.
do it, yeah, you understand. You
Shock
see.
for no. Very respectable. All up on the internet probably talk about it. Spread awareness.
All
This
right,
video-
let me show you a thing. There was a big politician, right? And you know, so me I go call him name. Right? But and I'm a friend. No, me not go call him. But him comes to me and him say, Kingsley, Raga, them concerned about your show, you know. I say, wait, what? And the things them were, because 2 weeks
Yeah,
before we did do
exclusive.
a topic named politician mixer. And them say them concerned about your show and thing and whatever. I say, for what? And then I say, yo, people are calling and them attack things where always in a secret and them something they know for go out and thing and whatever. You're sure I the only show I bring out them something and whatever and thing like that. So I said, but I can't stop the people them from call. If they call and I get mixed up, then get mixed up. So I must say, yeah, but that means say you're gonna lose your show. So I say, why me I gonna lose my show for that? And then eventually I lose my show.
Yeah, because it become a tell us some people. I just mean a leak. I tell them, me talk my story, you know. But me not talk it where you can find out who is who. Because there's some people in a high place, some high places, way more money than. We have enough for lose too. So them are going to bring it down. Because enough of them in a high places, enough athlete, artists, all of them just call a girl, I need a group of girl, this, that, and then just name out all of the things them. Oh, I have a virgin, him like this. If you have a girl who do that, she will get a $50,000 or $100,000 more. That's them been still like that. But I tell people, I just come for I survive, you know. You see, anywhere I live, and it bother nobody, I feel them problem, because I ain't idea, I'm not under your roof, I'm not pay your bills. I don't know why you feel bothered by me. If you're annoyed by my voice, I get that. But they can just block or remove. But me not gonna stop open my mouth because I realize say enough people in Jamaica, they're so close-minded. They make it seem like say, oh, I'm me the one who I expose everybody to these things when it already there. Me opening my mouth is turning on the light for you.
Seeing.
Because enough people
Hold
lost.
on. Tell me something. Do you think you, Goldie, you think you could be in a relationship and just be in love and enjoy, you know?
I was in a 3-year relationship.
Hold on, and just enjoy simple sex?
It don't tell simple sex now, you know.
What you mean by that? What you mean by that?
You know, you say it's simple now. If a man eat pum pum and a woman suck tweedlebop, them
Yeah.
say that vanilla now.
Right. So that you said that are nothing now, right?
Apparently, it's nothing now.
Yeah.
To
But so
me, you're
you
still
could
in the
be in a
category of freakiness to me.
no, but
Because of
could you
somebody
be in a
val-
relationship? But could you be in a relationship where you're not not? Because people associate you with the extraordinary and the
And my
and the
ex-man,
salacious
I'm
and
a
the
government worker. A big government worker. And we were quite fine. A regular stuff we do.
yeah.
The only thing out there now, maybe me eating batty 1 and 2 times and suck on in 2 and sitting there.
Right.
But it tastes good on for do.
So is that a thing out there to do that round there?
You know,
Is
I
that
don't
reg-
really
is
care
that
if
is
it's
that, is
in a
that a common
army
thing?
or
Is that
lick
common thing?
queens.
Is that common
It's
thing?
very common.
For lick
It's
round
very
this, so for
common.
lick it, for lick round this, so
Well,
don't.
me never start do it till probably 2 years ago. The back door licking part, I start do it 2 years ago. I share it with my ex-fiancé.
Okay.
But it come on, come I want been getting them. You have man, I eat them offer. They were quick for offer. I say, babes, I'm afraid I get poop and suppose my poop in there more.
But what would your response be to because I can tell you, some of my people listening this, right? I have a lot of conservative people who listen quietly, you know? But I can tell you, a lot of them listening right now, and they're just like aghast and just be like, what the hell? So what would your
when they see me a price smart, then come pinch me one side.
but what would your response be to the people who, and if you're alone, if you keep it real, I say that is just absolutely nasty and disgusting because we know what come out there so and nothing supposed to lick this. So what would you say to those people?
I don't know, pum pum bleed too.
No, but pum pum don't put when I pum pum no put out around this put out. So what would you say?
Because I be a clean pum pum I get.
What?
Enough of them, man, then I'm dirty pum pum and still go straight because they want to eat front.
You never answer a question, no, you know.
I don't know. I feel like, so for me, I don't really bash nobody way against it, you know. That's why everybody have them likes. You see, as long as you're not bother me with what me do, I don't care. You see, if you don't do them something there, it's totally normal for me. And what you like, you do. I feel like people express themselves or they want to express themselves. It's just that anybody will take me up here for name it. Without me do almost everything. So why am I do with somebody with so much restrictions?
Okay. All right.
Two things. You have to do the BS. You don't have to eat nobody but the pum pum part. You know, but my man not have to too. I don't need my man open because I'm open enough for the two of it.
All right. What would you say is one thing when men need to do when them are wind up in it and when them are eat it for improve them head game and them whining game? What is one thing when them need to do in both instances? What would you say about that?
Raga, I not have a bad sex life in over 5 years.
You what?
Me one of the woman that I not have a bad sex life in over 5 years. I communicate. Me used to, I don't know. I don't be having issues.
Oh, so you know you can't identify.
No, because
because
the thing is, me talk. Me the type of person I be talking. You know if it's serenade them, you do it in a seductive way, not kill the vibe. So me is a person like that. So whoever me fool around with,
so you can't really identify something where you say, you know, man, them a drop the catch, so you don't really know that, you know, because you've been getting it good all the time, right?
Because I make sure I get it good.
Okay.
Make sure, but a lot of people reach out to me for advice, and I be giving them advice. But the
Okay.
pum pum eating part, I just can't. The only reason I can't get no advice because every woman different.
Right.
I have friends.
Goldie, I think it. I don't know if you touch your mute button. Goldie. Yeah, I think you touch your
Dispense.
mute button. Oh, you probably get a phone call. Oh, she probably get a phone call, people. I one of them things, them, I don't know. Well, Jasmine, I saw it going, where, we get different opinions, Yeah, all right? Because Jasmine, remember you did go through your thing where they just come upon you, and you never expect it and thing and whatever. You understand? So you educate enough people. Goldie, you back?
Yes, sir. No, so yeah, I'ma come back.
Oh, yeah, one of your
So
clients
this,
that I call. She gone again.
you
Eh?
know, see me, yeah, you know, see me extra maga, my smoke enough. Me cut down. I'm working on it.
Yeah, but so why you lose the weight? What happened?
No, so I have me used to play basketball in a high school. So I have a damaged kneecap. My patella dislocated, my kneecap crack. So
Okay.
the weight, because I never, people know me on TikTok with that weight there because the first 2 years I did tick. I did do Jamaican man and I fly go Jamaica, I take juice up in my belly. Of course I got tick.
Right.
But I catch myself and I have to lose the weight because it start bother my knee.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and because it prone for slip out back, I couldn't manage it, so I have to lose the.
John, somebody, you see it, Raga, you support them every day, but you're still in at the chat door. You can't just scroll past and don't listen, But you stay and listen, though. But we Goldie cut off again. If you don't like it, you can't leave, Cause I wouldn't advise you if you keep listening something where you don't like. Here, you can't say you don't like something, but you sit on there ball out say you don't like it, but you consume it, same way, take it in, same way, take it in. That don't make sense, dog. You understand? When me not like something and thing or whatever, me not go nowhere near it. All right.
I'm sorry, but
Why Goldie, your phone a beat, man. Yeah. Your phone a beat with Goldie. I'm ready them come, but Raga, you love them something then and whatever. You remember the woman at Jamaica who never liked me show and listen every day. And one day when me no come on, where helper say, she call her and I said, but why you not have on the radio? Me could listen to this disgusting man. I don't even know why them have on the radio. Why you don't turn it on? Why you don't turn on the show? Like turn on the show, make we hear this disgusting man when them have on the radio. Man, listen, do. Hey, you know them people with them do some freaky something. And all when them in the middle do the freaky something, them a wind up in it and a curl up and then you say if stop. Me can't believe you remember do them something. Do them something. And them a wind up in it, see them, Them a wicked. Them a wicked and them people, them always a ball out, but them not like something or whatever, but them a walla in it. You have a next set of them, when them do this something, them, when them done, as soon as them done, then take God off, because them not do it again. Them not doing it again. Me can't believe whatever. And them pray and beg God for forgiveness, said, we not do it again. And then the next time when the person drive, first of all, them guy in the person yard who did do it the last time, and when them say them not do it again, and them go back there. And Goldie, when them go back there, hear them no, me mind them come back, me not do what we did the last time, And you can't hear it in them voice, because it's when somebody not do something. No. No. But you see, when you have a next and them, me not do that again, Because me don't know why you keep on make me and do them something. I'm go to church.
I know, yes, my have friends like that at Jamaica.
You me say for stop, no. Jesus, God, what you do?
have a friend at Jamaica. She not like fear backdoor touching at all. And fear man, every time she go a thing, they never want to touch your back door. And she said, I feel like my man a batty man, you know. Cannot always.
Yeah.
So I not like it. So I say, why you keep on and do it? Because I'm a man and I didn't like it. I mean, I tell her, say, a girl would drag people on the internet. Because I mean, you leave you alone, you know. You listen to it, I'm just not going to tell a story. And she drug people on the internet. People with a dirty life.
You see
And
it.
your man,
You see it.
I go from body to pum to body. And
A
now
rinse,
clean it, nothing. And I did...
Let me ask you something.
And
And this
then going back feet. But
them
that's
go
what
back,
I don't
them go
like
right
it.
back feet. Them go right back feet.
And then
thing.
better than me too.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
yeah,
whenever-
complain about it and you can't take it better than me. I see your TikTok for too live.
Whenever I say no, you stop now. Stop now. You know, even say you for stop. And then you know, draw out the word,
Then
man.
their face vex up. And so what
Yeah.
babes? You know, me not like that. And every time I
You
come
know-
here, you want to do it.
You know, you have a style and cover them face. And cover them face.
Stop telling my business. That's some used to stay to.
No, when I see them, them woman, them, and cover them face and that thing. And stop now. It's not like if them cover them face, you know, like, then that don't count, you know. But them are wind up in there. Stop, no, stop. Ah. You think they easy. But
You
tell me
remind me, I
something.
do. Like the
What?
woman I'm fool around with, so she never fool around with the woman before. And she never play them the game about something about me, she want to try it.
Sure.
And the water, her face cover up. You see when him go for bus, face not cover up. All of a sudden, he take me and dip it in there like him and broke off
Gee.
head in her crutches. I say,
Yeah. And I see it just as she nah do nothing and whatever and this and that. And
I
be
go
a
like
things
she
and go.
shy. You know, much
Yeah.
of them going like, oh, I'm a first time, pum pum shave in a lingerie. Well, lay down palm bed, aisle up, pum pum smell like coconut oil. So you know, say I'm in a bathroom, wash the pum pum about 5 times before I come here.
Yeah.
No, it clean. Just coconut oil, it smell pan skin. Cause she hear me say I love coconut oil.
Hold on. So she go through all that preparation. All that preparation for come there for do something where she says she don't want to do.
Yeah.
For come there and for not for do something where she don't want to do. But she go through all that preparation there for
Yeah,
make
'cause she
sure
end up
say
eat pum
it
pum.
pretty and
Cause she
end
said
up
she
eat
don't
it now.
eat pum pum. She said she don't
Yeah.
eat pum pum. I'm say, oh, that's
Yeah.
fine. I don't want no woman eat my pum pum. I'm not sure tight. I just want, because I see women as a flowers, you know. They're like a flower, like a beautiful flower. So I like the whole body worship and, you know, I love woman just like how I love man too, you know. Cause I married to the both of them. I married a woman or a man. That's how I love them. So
Okay.
she come, she say, oh, I'm gonna do them something dear. The first my go is kissing. Girl, I suck on my finger. My body get nyam. I say, I think I first. I think say you not do them something here. You say, me I go do it. Oh yeah, do it to me. She say, just something boy, yeah, your vibe. And you just make me comfortable. I say, I did plan blood clot long time. You plan this long time.
Yeah. If you come do the something them and think I go like
Yeah, so I say, oh, that girl vibes go before me even jump in at this. So for me even surprise her real quick.
Yeah. Well, you know, well, earlier we mentioned a country and we said Guyana and thing. But me have a more generic question for ask you. And this is just my opinion. So I just want to know if you have any input on it. I happen to believe wholeheartedly and conclusively that Canadians, anybody with their Canada, them sort out pop down. Like the Canadian, them sort out no good at all.
I feel so too, because some of my top friends them on my platform.
I need some that time.
Yo, TamFam, I can't say nothing to me right now.
Yeah.
The great gold agree with me, say Canadian sort out them pop down. Who can't say nothing to me right now. Who can't come say nothing to me. Gold is say, Canada. Tell me about it, Gold. Tell me
Canada
about
in
it.
my top 5 with the highest spenders. Canadians. Them in my top 5 on my platform them. And enough of them complain every minute. Me have emails, me have on my platform where them say, Goldie, you can't come to Canada, come teach them people here, please.
Jesus.
It is
See
in
that?
Canada. Me can't say that.
Yeah, don't it? Don't
The man them talk and the woman them talk.
The man them talk and the woman them talk, them sort out, yeah, them seriously one thing with the inner that era.
That's why
don't.
they follow up the American dance soccer.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
enough Canadian, enough man of enough Jamaican man there Canada too. And Canadian man fly out Yankee girl and Jamaican girl. Where you think the whole of them are go up they go do?
Yeah, don't, cause the man them not going with the Canadian, them not going with nothing, don't.
The man, but to be honest, the man them not really. I know all of them, all of them, you know. But some of them not really too make sense. Cause on my platform, they ever want a be a red light them talk about.
Oh, what the
Be
Canada
red
man
like
them?
them
I the Canada, they say Canada man.
They love blood. They look like.
I know we're not good. No, we're not talking
Yeah,
about.
me not like it. Now, I don't really want
Yeah,
to
we're
do
not
it
talking about that.
tonight.
We're not talking about. Well, the woman them, me I tell you about, you know, me I tell you say woman, the Canadian woman them start to pop down. I'm hold me hard upon that.
Yeah,
hold
me
me
hear
line upon
that.
that. Yeah, you hear
I've
that too,
never,
don't you?
yeah, I never
Yeah.
hear not different yet about that. With
You
Canada.
see it. You see it. Some people they
Never
say, no,
hear
you're
a
right.
never hear a girl a broke her neck go Canada go look for a man unless you're there Jamaica or all left.
Yeah, I hear the man I broke him neck to Canada go look go get good sort out of Canada. Me never hear that yet.
Them man they save their money and
Yeah.
come to Jamaica and they have 2 girls on the resort.
You see it.
Or
You
then go
see
get
it.
guest house.
No, is that well I know it's a look ongoing war over here with me and him. Come on, is a beat.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, man, is a beat
I know,
them
right?
and the man is a give it back to me or whatever, you know. It's a running little joke over here, you know.
It
But
no come
boy,
for me, no, but a true. Enough
no
of
man.
support, enough. And even over Twitter too, they'll
Yeah.
tell you.
What X one? Twitter one?
Over
X
Twitter, me always then on a TikTok, me really depend, you know.
No, but
On
what me I
TikTok,
say,
now me just tell my story time and gone. But over Twitter, me there.
no, but in terms of well, your
Enough
client,
Jamaican
your
over there.
clientele go over X, you know, over Twitter, Twitter.
That's how you think. Them they everywhere.
Oh, for real? No, I would think that they would be more over X, over Twitter.
So like for
No.
the celebrities, them on Twitter, but they're more likely to go link you off of Instagram. So Instagram popular for like artists, athletes. You would get like NFL player over Twitter.
Oh, okay.
Like truck driver, like big businessman where I keep discreet with a lower page. You will get over Twitter. But the celebrity them then love Instagram and then love vanishing mode. I just a Jamaican one them that love vanishing mode, then daring with them begging.
Oh, okay. Me need to get hip on that and all. Them look at something there and whatever, you know.
But I know Jamaican over Twitter.
I know, but what me I say is the tend to be, you know, so me need to kind of qualify that because I think the reason why I'm saying that is the people them who me know I interact with over X, they, you know, them tend to be, you know, more professional intellectuals and things like that.
Yeah.
So I think that is why I'm seeing it that way, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's why I see it that way. But you know, me see some people are posting at the chat say, oh, over there the porn site and thing, a be things going on over there. And
Yeah,
them say,
over there, me have 400,000 per one page and 100,000 on the next. And in the US, I just Jamaica, I get popular, you know. But in the US, me really popular, you know.
oh, they must say your X page, you know, your Twitter /X page is X now, Elon Musk. They must say turn up. Them say your X page. What do I mean by that? What do I mean?
I come me over there, show me pum pum and I suck off Tweedledum and I take it in all and I hold them over there. Because I post preview over there.
You serious?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
excuse
like that
me.
for me,
1 second,
right?
1 second, 1 second. I joke me a minute. Oh, so them see some of them over.
Yeah, them never know. So them never know say that me doing a raga. Them they just think say my mouth slack.
You can post that for X?
Yes, and you can go. You see him like, oh, you're there, you saw a stream now.
Yeah.
They got the plot. You can stream on there too.
I have an account over there. I haven't been on that account
You
for
can
years.
stream, monetize it and stream and get pay off it. Me not go get paid because the type of content me post. But
Mr. Love, Raga over there mad. But me never know say so X are going. You serious?
what? Twitter at your fault. From him know about Twitter, me had lip on
Oh, me never understand. The one of
Because you
them I
look
say,
up, you meet you meet everybody from different places, different ethnicity, everybody, just a mixture of people.
yeah.
Some
Yes,
out of the politics. Nah,
yeah.
like I feel like I one of the biggest platform for like your business.
Mm-hmm.
Because
That you
you
talk
get
show.
because you not get penalized for it.
Right.
You can talk
Right.
about it on the live and something, but them pay well, then just not go pay me because I'm gonna put my crutches for and there.
But
And
what
some
you mean
content.
them pay like them pay that when
Them
they can
pay you off it, they can pay you off your
monetize your
post.
stream over there?
Yeah, you can get it stream monetized.
Okay.
But you
So
have to have them premium.
them premium. Okay. All right. Let me see how that go and think. Listen to
Yeah,
me.
Twitter have live. Anytime I go do my little pokey live them, over them I go promote it and show them a pokey. And say, come follow me over here.
Well, your pokey pretty?
They say pretty.
Let me say pretty. Okay.
Then you know go click on it Twitter and go look.
No, me never. I was just joking there, but me never go over
Oh.
there and think whatever. What it meaty?
Me no know, you know.
You know,
Not magnificent.
since you lose weight, it maga down.
My pum pum can never lose weight. The only thing I can lose weight. That's
Yeah.
right now the highest paying body parts. The amount of money I'm going to pay. You know, to make sure they tested and check up on them something there. Pum pum cost enough money.
Me see a Rasta man come in a while ago and him say Satan. Let me see what him say. Him say Satan something. Me see if I can go back and me see him say something like him that says Satan. See the Rast go Satan at work. You ever have any interaction with Rastas? Like, you know.
The only one that may have interact.
No call no name, but just
No, you have one where he hit me. We make YouTube video and make bread off of me. But I wait on the day for go put on my DMC and get done in YouTube. But I'm not spiteful yet. Because I don't really play with people money. Because I don't want nobody play with mine.
Yeah.
Man make about 4 YouTube video about me. In disgust of my lifestyle. So I asked him if I buy him, try to buy crutches one time, and because it's so hard for reach me, and decide he want to come style me out on the internet.
But in general, you know, no Rasta will draw for you them and want freakiness.
You know, say we always say when a Rasta man them are one of the demonest man ever. I feel like them are them wicked. Because they say, oh, me live this life, yeah, me that life there. A first man, mama pissa is a Rasta man one. And it's a clean life. Him live him not even name chicken. Boy, chicken or fish, a man they are straight vegetarian with him chunks and something.
So him not eat chicken and beef, but him drink piss.
Yeah, you say it to now.
Oh God.
I say, what me do what? I say, it taste, me just feel like say your people taste good to me.
Well, Goldie, let me tell you something.
Me nah go say, me was traumatized by what them saying and Raga.
Yeah.
But you see, if it not go affect my health, I have a very curious mind. I'll try it once or twice to see if I like it. If I try it the 3rd time and I don't like it, then I just leave it there. That's just me. So when we hear some little twisted something, I say, oh, what could do that? But then my curious mind like, all right, could try it.
Well, they say the ladies and man that say Raga want me to you, man, enough man with long rash. You know, they never tie up them hair in a ponytail and get busy and thing. The woman them tell me that here. Know that.
What?
And years and years woman tell me that and enough of them are names, you know.
Long time.
Yeah.
Enough Jamaican woman. That's why I said the Jamaican man, they love Jamaican woman because enough could I really get exposed. Enough man would go infantry if them open.
And rinse them out, don't.
And some people with dog out people. I sit down beside my ex-man and they are reason with people. And I say, let me not put my mouth on the pum. I beat that forget beat up. No, day I saw do this. Later on, I hit in my mouth and me ever slide it on him face and I time.
Wet up him face down, yeah.
But guess what? I know my story for tell. I tell my story. I'm not what I tell. So it's all right.
Drop some pony juice in her eye, give him like a pony feel. Take him to the pony, take him to the pony. Take him to the pony spa and give him a pony facial, you know, clean out him pores and all these things and whatever. Make him face glow. Make him
we
face
put a go
glow.
clean when he swallow everything. You not allow him upon his face.
Well, go on, let me take some more car, because them of course me say they not get to come in and thing. But big up yourself, you know. Respect for the whole through, you know. And listen to me, I don't care nobody wants to say, at the end of the day, we are all responsible for our own happiness. And you see, everybody have to make themselves happy. Nobody can make anybody happy. Nobody can make anybody happy. You have to make yourself happy, right? And as long as your happiness is not disenfranchising somebody or causing harm to somebody else, or you know, you're being depraved in some way in your exploitation of another, live your life. You don't have people, you don't have to agree with it. You can't say, I don't agree with Goldie. That's fine. Me not agree with everybody. I'm not expect everybody to agree with me. But you know, when somebody be happy, if it's not your thing, it's not your thing. You scroll past it. You don't do it.
Because they're not happy. Because how is it that this person live this nasty life and they look so happy and me, they are so, I suffer. Me can't get a woman, me can't get a girl, me can't do no. And this a person I just happy to live their life. I just bad
No. Here is the eternal conundrum. These people who claim them hate something, but them get up every day and I eat them live and I only eat them talk about. Oh, you feel dislike something and eat something and I eat your talk about constantly. You don't hate it.
Sir, I have one. You have it one them, the Jamaican them with the over Twitter. They love talk. They love chat me. See, they love chat me.
Yeah.
Me about 3 of them in I chat. You see, if me had really want dirty tegger, I could have out them. When I say worship it ground when I walk pan, them man there and then get a paycheck then give me. Me get them whole paycheck and go work Uber and DoorDash for go work.
Yeah.
And no, but when I tell you, so then drag me, oh, them girl full of man. Then this, then that. I say, no, you are beg for name my crutches and I buy out my content them.
You see.
So then stay. So me just look on it say, people are gonna talk. Itana me love forever since, you know, she said people talk, that's what they do. But at the end of the day, words are win. There's food in my fridge.
Yeah.
Me have my money. There's nobody me I depend on. I've never once have to run to my parents and say, oh, me need this, that, da. Them play them part and me take up my badness for my own and I live my life. I don't blame nobody for it. I mean, not invite nobody in it. But if they were in it, I know I could teach you a thing or two.
All right, Goldie, man. Big up yourself. Blessings and respect here.
You don't forget to take me off in a camera.
Yeah, man. Enough respect for the role through and thing, all right? And respect, okay? Cool, man, cool.
Nice talking to you. Bye.
Yeah, man, cool. Yes, if keeping it real was a person, see it there. Yeah, I see that, you know. And again, people, you not have to like everybody and what them do, you know. Right? And if you don't like something, avoid it. You understand? If you're a person in your house and do what you not like or whatever, or if you work somewhere, you have to have content with this thing and what you not like, you know, fine. But if you're there one church and you don't like the church, you leave that church and go to a next church. Or you try if it works, and if it can't work, or whatever the culture of that church is, whatever. What people do, you leave that, you know? Nobody watches everything on social media, you know. No found a day, you don't watch hunting. Them have one show where you just a hunt a crawl in a bush. You don't watch that. You have one next show with car, you have one next show with, you have only sitting. I want to just pass what I don't like. But why is it when you can't pass certain things? You don't have to stay with certain things and cuss it. You know, so the spirit give me the spirit give me the way it named if you mention something right, you know. All right, people, I'm gonna start a little thing, right? I finish a site. It not done yet, you know, but you can go up on it and start populate it. Now, this site is essentially a community One thing when you're on social media, you're kind of limited with certain things. You have to go by them road and them algorithm and thing. So I am building a community where we can go and do what we want to do over there, right? And it's a community where eventually me I go keep shows over there, like fun show, like cooker, fashion show, comedy show. Me I go have like stage show, but it's online, you know. It's gonna be in the community, you know, so me I do it. Someone want to go over there right now and check it out. You have a paid subscription part, but you don't have to pay a subscription to it. You have a free part, you can go over there. It's called TamFamBigYard.com, right? TamFamBigYard.com, right? It don't have the app yet, so you can just go up on the website and go over there. And again, like nothing over there yet because it's a finish now, but you can still register for go over there because eventually yard, Y-A-A-D. Thank you, Shanae. Thanks for asking, right? So it's TamFam Big Yard, Y-A-A-D. All right? So you can go over there. I want to go over there right now and register, right? Who can register? And by the way, if you see anything wrong over there and whatever, or something not work, just let me know. But the email where you have write me to, and Tasha Christina put this out for me. It's admin@tamfamworld.com. People talk, say, why is it so long? Yeah, no, is a reason why it's so long. Yeah, it's a reason why it's so long here. But there is some efforts to wait near there, but I can't really say it because some people are. But me make no know. But for now, it's tamfambigyard.com and it's Y-A-A-D, okay? Someone who want to go register over there because it's all nice. And if you understand Facebook, you can navigate over there, right? Because some of the show them now, my life, them are going to keep over there. And then when you go over there, eventually there's going to be some other sites where you know, your one password can carry to me. Me soon telling about them other site and thing. For example, one of them is tamborineradio.com. You know about Tambourine Radio. If you go up on Tambourine Radio right now, some bad souls are play over there, right? Right? The app coming soon. But if you go up on Tambourine Radio, some bad souls are play over there. So I'm going to have a network of sites where you're going to have access to all of them. Even Ragashanti.com. If you go over there right now, you can see that data finished too, right? So you're going to have a network of sites where it's just going to be uber content, crazy content, lots of content. And for subscribers, one password going to carry to all of the site, them and thing, and whatever. So I'm just slowly unveil that right now. But I'm encouraging you. G-Stop. Yeah, pick up yourself. I'm asking you to just go over there now and register, right? Again, tamfambigyard.com, TamFamBigYaad. TamFamBigYaad. And then you see, me go on with something over there, you know. People trust me, you know, me have a vision, you know. And I just want to be free from the constraints or the limitation of where them going. You know, something I'm going over here. So we're going to go over this, so, and we're going to turn up a thing. And remember, when you're over there now, you know, you can send friend requests. You can, you know, accept friend requests. You can form groups and whatever. Just imagine a ragga community with data going. First of all, enough people are going to meet enough people. Question. After a while, you see, when you form a community like that, the culture starts evolve. And it, you know, once you bring people together, they evolve a particular culture. Now, what that is exactly, I don't know. But I can tell you, from a Ragashanti something, it's going to be fun. No questions asked, right? It's going to be fun. And when it gone, me I live over there. Because I'm my something. So me I live over there. I'm going with beer something. I'm going to set up a little thing like a stadium and thing. And we have stage show, we have cook-off and thing. And it's going to also be an opportunity for people to network in terms of careers and your businesses and all these things and whatever. And there's going to be an element of it of exclusivity, but not exclusive in the sense that it's pushing away people. Anybody can join, but of course, most of the people are going to be over there going to be Jamaican and Caribbean people. You just know it's a ragga thing, right? So that's going to happen and thing. So it's going to be an opportunity for you to make friends, but you're going to make friends in a particular culture. right? From a my something, you're going to have activities and events and things. I already plan them out. I just put the structure together and establish a thing right now, right? And we're going to have crazy fun over there. I predict it already because once I set my mind to something, I murder she wrote, you know, it's going to happen. So I want to go over there, spread the word, right? Tell people to sign up. Beachy says she sign up already. Nice and thing. Who are subscribe and things. So I'm not going to just make you know. You're not going to get access to exclusive content. Me make you know what that is. No, whatever, those are already on the thing. And but it's open to anybody. You don't have to subscribe. You can just go over there. And when you're signing up, you see the free option and thing. Rude girl Mika says she sign up and thing. Proper. Nice, right? So I need the whole on to go over there and thing because this works when there's people there. Right? So eventually we're going to do those stance. I'm going to start with like a one day when the show streams. So like Thursday. Every Thursday over there the show I go keep. I'm going to even play my music. I'm going with my thing. I'm going to talk some sitting. You understand? Yeah. I'm going to pinch you and tell you something to Lord Jesus here you know. All right. Anybody who subscribe, the site not lock off yet, you know. I'm about to say something. The site not lock off yet. Because the site not finished yet. But yeah, what a problem this now, you know. A problem this now, you know. Again, you know, remember it's going to be a family of sites. Right? With one login, each subscriber have access to all of them. But anybody who's not a subscriber can access them. But you can't access restricted content. But one site out of them, no. By 2 days after this, when I finish, I fix up something, you can't access that site there unless you're a subscriber. That's just one. So you got Ragashanti.com, TambourineRadio.com, you know, TamFamBigYard.com. When I know some have TamFam Travel, you know, my immigration site, I go over there. Everything I go over there, I have access to all of them. Now, here's the one I'm telling about where if you don't go there now, you're not going to see it. Because I work when I wanted to. It's called outerorder.com. I want to know what I want this, you know. OUTAORDA, right? If you go over there right now, you can't go. I don't even think you have to sign on yet. I'm not sure, you know. I don't even think you have to sign on yet, you know. But again, if you go over, I want to know what I got up on outerorder.com, don't eh? No, that is a plan, Dita. That is the plan. So all of uno, all right, you say, oh yes, thank you, Dita, for bringing it up. All of uno, oh, I'm be careful with this. But all of uno, oh, a super fan over here or subscriber, just send me an email and say you're a super fan subscriber because you are entitled to the membership up till December 31st, right? Like a free membership to the exclusive content. So just so you know, in a couple of weeks, we're going to keep an Outer Order show over outerorder.com. But it's only people who are subscriber can go. But if you're a subscriber here or a super fan here or on Facebook, a TamFam TV, you're a member, just send me an email and say, I'm a member of TamFam TV. I'm a one, you know, the white name they have to go up till February 1st, right? Then me I go check and see. And then me I go just make you a member and whatever. I'm ready to do the work, all right? You understand what I say? All I want to who a member of TamFam of TV over YouTube, which is equivalent to subscriber over here, or if you're a subscriber over here, a TikTok, or if you are a super fan over here, just send me an email. admin@tamfamworld.com. admin@tamfamworld.com. Right? Particular, I remember now, Outer Order is not for everybody. Right? I don't know if you notice, you know, some people Outer Order run, some people, but you know, we never really come out with it and tell them, you know, but you know, some people can't manage it and them Lego. So the outer order, it's your outer order go set up now. It's go in one little corner. So it now go mix up with this. You understand? So it go in one little space. So for you, go right name that you have to deliberately navigate for go over there, then you have to go sign in for go over there, whatever. Now, if you go over outer order right now, you go hear one of the outer order show over there, you can play it. You know, remember, say the site not finished, so you go see some little thing we need for clean up and all them something. But you go hear one of the outer order show them over there and things, so you know what content they're going to do over outer order. And then the idea is that no, so you have this family, it's this community. And just like if you go on mall or whatever, you know like that shop there, you don't go that shop there. But if you like Burlington Coat Factory, you go Burlington Coat Factory, right? And thing, right? So then you have a business model here and thing, all right? All right, Jamaican sister say outer, I'm sure, you know. All right, no worry yourself. So if you go over outerorder.com, OUTAORDA, you go see that site there up. I work on that and I finish it now. But again, just to be clear, I telling you from now, outerorder.com, for obvious reason in terms of what the content is, it's not going to be open like the other sites, you know? That one going to be closed totally, just for subscribers. So anybody who go there, so are people who want to go there, so and thing. And yeah, we're going to go on with something over there, so too. Exclusive. Right? Then the other side, them now, not gonna have access to. If you go over tambourineRadio.com right now, if you go over tambourineRadio.com and just press play, you hear some bad souls that play over there. Right? Me never tell you no, but me I make you know. So this is a slow unveiling and thing. So, and if anybody have any questions, just send me an email at admin@tamfamworld.com and I will answer them. I will answer them, okay? My day for work. I must not waste foreign. Don't waste foreign, right? And I'm an entrepreneur. He's a businessman. He's a fun person. I'm try to integrate them and whatever, you know, and do a business when we enjoy, right? I love the law. I'm a lawyer. I love anthropology, right? I've been an anthropologist for a long time. I counseled as a psychotherapist for several years in Connecticut. I am a broadcaster. I'm a jack of all, not all trades, but a bunch of them and thing. And I just want to make people happy and entertain people. That is what I love. And at the same time, see, in any way I can integrate my credentials and qualifications with that, you know, process and be intentional about it and things like that, monetize it and create value for you. Because no matter who it is, if you're Irish or you're Kenyan or you're South African or you come from Thailand or whatever, if you create value for people through your content and your product, people in general will reward you and support you in that regard. So that's the objective here, you know. So that is what me I do. Me want to provide value and you know. Yeah, Thea Chain, Raga, I like how you're always trying new things. And the goal here is not to be trying new things, but to create something that is sustainable and can be around for a while, you know? Yeah, man, I want some permanence now in terms of, because I love what I do, obviously. Nobody can listen to me. I say, why Raga love laugh and love the arms or whatever. I love what I do, you know? So I structure it. I structure it in a way where me enjoy it and you can enjoy it too, right? Because that's the aim of the game here, reciprocity, okay? Yes, it's a business model, but just like how Disney provide content to you, want to watch, want to laugh and whatever, and CNN provide news content or whatever and things like that. Yeah, we live in a great time now where the technology and the information is there for us to use in innovative ways, you know, where we can maximize our strengths, right? I know what my strengths and weaknesses are, and I'm using the technology and the information and whatever to maximize my strength and to simply do what I love and to structure it in a business. You understand? But now we as foreign, you understand? You see it? So again, I want all to go to TamFam Big Yard and just join over there. You will see the option to say free, just join, right? register, have your look at site over there. I'm gonna go over there and send on a friend request. All right. You know, I mean, telling them more. So we're going to have activities over there. You're going to see something say in the yard over there. And that is going to be like the square, right? There is something else I'm going to put there, like basically a video platform with chat capabilities and things like that. So, me have my show, some specific show I go over there. We can have a comedy show over there. We shouldn't have put them because I have a time, you know. Anytime I put out thing, you know, somebody run good. A regular thing, you know, people run good with. But you understand, and again, if you know how Facebook work, you're good over there. Because it you know that's something that like, don't change the wheel, right? Get the fundamentals in place. Make people give up an environment that is sufficiently familiar where people can navigate their spaces and things like that. So that is this. You can leave stories over there. You know, you do a Facebook story, Instagram story. You can do that over there. You can post on your timeline, right? You can form groups, okay? And there are some other things that you know, that I'm putting in that, you know, I'm gonna make a thing turn up. So go over there, join TamFam Big Yard right now. All I want to join TamFam Big Yard. Spread the word for me and thing. And make we start communicate with each other over there. You understand? And post food. Yeah, right? Master good as I want you go over there, I want to post food, I want to go over your page and see your food, them and all them something there. And it's going to be concentrated with just us. Right? It's going to, All-Star Netballer, go to TamFam Big Yard, TamFam BIGYAAD. Yard. It's a little long, but no worry. I mean, you know, there's a reason why it has to be done that way. TamFam Big Yard. Let's go over there and join it, all right? TamFamBigYard.com. TamFamBigYAAD. Right? Yeah, .com. Yeah, man, and spread the word. No, yeah, we're working on the app also, so we're on itself, the app I go forward to one thing, you know, but right now, just the site, I saw them thing you have to do and whatever, and then you work out the kinks and things, because putting it in the app is a trickier process. You know, when I go put it in the app until you figure out what going. Arlene Graham, big up yourself. So again, people, not to be, you know, continuously redundant, but again, I'm asking you all, every one of you, go over there and just sign up, okay? You don't have to subscribe. And remember, again, if you're a member of TamFam TV over YouTube, or if you're a super fan over here, or a subscriber here on TikTok with me, just send me an email and say, Raga, boom, I am so-and-so, and you want the da-da-da-da-da, and there is a thing where I put in for Uno to go right through up until the 1st of February. And then after that, it's your choice whether or not you want to just leg out something over the side there and just come over there. So because over there, so whatever you get here, so you're going to get it over there, so, and triple that. That is the idea, right? Whatever you get over here when you support me over here with your sponsorship and your subscription and your this, you're going to get it over there. So triple that, fuple that, quadruple that, quintuple that, all right? Based on where we're going, all right? Okay. Lady Andrea, the email address you want to pin. Yeah, Christina can pin the email address. It's admin@tamfamworld.com. admin@tamfamworld.com. All right. Marie McCullough, make sure you go to tamfambigyard.com. TamFamBigYard. Remember the yard spelled YAAD, Jamaican way. TamFambigyard.com over this side, right? And then we'll have the email, okay? Any quick question? Any quick question? YHWH. It's a rag me there. Big up yourself. Any quick question? Let me see if we have any quick question. Let me go on, let me see me bring up somebody and take some more card. Be nice up your show and thing, but see boss, yeah man. One Zion training in place, you know. Yeah man, you can upgrade later, man. I want me to you, Moroccan page, you think a baby thing, a big thing. Okay. Remember, all members, particularly those who would be watching this over YouTube, if you're a member of TamFam TV over YouTube, and you want to be, come join TamFam World. Well, Big Yard is part of TamFam World. And think, just send me an email and just say, Raga, I'm a member, so and so and so. I'm a one for so and so and so. And I will take care of you, okay? Admin at tamfamworld.com. Admin at tamfamworld.com. Okay? Just send me an email this, all right? Same thing if you are a super fan over here or a subscriber over here on TikTok. Just send me an email, all right? And just let me know what is what, and we will deal with it for you, okay? All right, and then outside of that, everybody else, just go over there and join. You know, if you want to subscribe, you know, because you support Raga. You support what Raga do. So if you want to subscribe, and thing, and yeah, build the thing with my family. Grown up, come right up. But if you just want to join, a free join, that's fine. You just do that too and whatever, you know. The more people over there, the more better. Because I'm going to come over there now, I'm going to send on a friend request and all these things. I'm going to form the SDC group, right? I'm going to form different groups and whatever. It's going to go nice. I have the vision. We're going to have fun over there. We're going to go on with this up with them over there, okay? Mad thing. Okay, let me see what I go on here. So now, yeah, some people been away for a while, you know, but true, me did not talk to. Boldly with the fat something, you know. What go on, boo-boo? Tina. Tina, I don't know, say she come up, you know. Tina. Tina got mute right, you know. I think she didn't mean for come up. All right. So somebody else, you know. See what is going on. And by the way, anybody will go over and say anything when I see what I need for fix or whatever. Just let me know here. All right. Okay. Just Come crew. The JCC. What you say? One new crew. You can't farm any group over there. Oh, right now I think it's only subscribers can form group and thing. But we, you know, but you can just go over them, man, and see what I go on and sitting, all right? And I'm bringing people, but they look like people them did that wait so long that JCC, the Just Come crew. Verbal expression, sign up, big up yourself, you know. Zion train, me that bring up a while ago. Tina, me did that bring up a while ago, you know. I don't know what happened. I don't know if you accidentally touch a thing. David thing now come through right, you know. I just go down the line, you know. Mixup with the right, you know. Forward. Oh. And man come through, so. Tina say accident make you come up a while ago. Osha. That's why you go mute for me first and Lego down. I think you never did want to talk to me. Hello? 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 What? Yo. That look a bit weird. Zion train is coming our way.
Soul train, same way.
Big tune.
Big tune. You hear me tell you?
You know some advice I loop. That you have me on your car phone or something.
Oh, yeah. Cause I just clock out and come in a vehicle. Forward in a vehicle.
Yeah.
Be careful how I use the word there when I dip on your thing. So yeah, when you say you hear me twice or you hear yourself twice?
Me I hear myself twice.
Alright, well, I'm gonna take
echo,
it
it's a loop. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit more careful. I don't know. People call it for everything.
Wait.
Yeah. Talk and listen.
Yeah. We're good now.
Say something, Kingsley. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. She sell seashell by the seashore. You remember that we are picnic?
Yeah, tell you that.
Yeah.
We did have one of the toughest English teacher we ever passed through my Oscar Road, you know.
For real, though.
Yeah, man. Mabel Smith, man, big up herself, man. Rest in power, Mabel Smith. Mabel Smith used to say, students, there is no way that you can try to speak the language the way you're doing it. You are raping the language. You need to walk the language, talk the language, speak the language.
Yeah.
You know, she used to make it easy.
Yeah. Make the language part of you. Yeah.
I tell you that.
Yeah.
So you know what say, and I really, my thing and I really I mix up things still in Kingsley. It's like the same thing where the bridge in the name earlier, Juice
Media, yeah.
And the same thing because when we there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Because the big woman right now is a nurse still, you know?
Yeah.
In them days there, she did still at the aspirator level.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
But as a woman who did health conscious from long time, I have to go on with myself because you know the old adage where Jamaican men have to be dying before them feet to the doctor.
Yeah.
Out of the settings there, so
yeah.
We did do some woman. You would go do so and Ray and Tate and start out my thing and.
What you mean? Your prostate test? Yeah, what you mean?
Yeah. Because you know the PSA of the levels of a right.
So wait, you did afraid to say it a while ago? You say eh?
No, but never. Me, I got afraid. Look at.
So you're gonna do your prostate test? Yeah, no.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna do the prostate exam, man, but me did kind of lean towards the blood test. You understand me? Because we're not really homophobic, you know, but when you socialize a certain way, you prefer to go for what would be considered the better option.
Seeing.
My lady now did tell me say when you do the digital rectal examination,
it's more accurate.
Yeah, because you know that's more contact when them get to palpitate the prostate and you know what I mean?
So why you have to say it so?
Oh.
When them palpitate the prostate.
Raga, when you tell you something, Raga, when you're married to a nurse, all kind of things.
When you're married to a nurse, no, yeah.
Yeah, man. And sometimes you not realize say you do it, you know.
No, when you're there with somebody, you know, you end up you hybridize, you know, you assimilate, you know.
Yeah, all right, so why you have to say that, though?
Yeah, because I'm a damn nerd. Yeah, you see me a nerd, I'm a proper geek, you know, but I own it. I own it.
So, I say, all right then, I'm going to do the DRE and then I do the blood test. Because I have to satisfy myself.
Yeah.
All right, so She do some boom and set up the apartment and all these things. But the day in question when me forward for do it,
Yeah.
I alone did go.
Yeah.
All right. So you know you do the little pre-counseling thing, them sit you down and talk to you and Ray and tough up your head.
Yeah.
All right. Boom, me go into the room and one little doctor come into the room. So
Another little doctor.
I try to tell
Man or
myself,
woman?
you know,
Man or woman? Man or woman?
Woman, Raga.
Yeah.
All of them research they do already, you know.
Yeah.
So the thing was properly researched and all of these things. All right.
Yeah.
Boom, now the doctor come in and you know we are man already. We quote unquote eat with our eyes first. Nobody looks so surprised, man. Anyway, may I say, boom now. Then they sum up the doctor and all of these things, you know. So she come in, nice cultured like a doctor.
Yeah.
Talk to me and all of these things and Ray. Hey, watch a man about mighty God of Daniel. Now, boom now, Raga, the lady said to me, so are you clear on everything that was discussed at the pre-counseling session? I say, yeah, I'm good. I say, you have any questions? Any levels of discomfort? Is everything okay? I say, yeah, man, all is well. All is well. So she said, okay, so remember that there's a possible reflex action that may happen when I attempt to or start palpitating your prostate and so on. You know, I just wanna talk to you so you don't experience any levels of discomfort in the event of and so on. So no, I'm good. I'm fine. All right, here I know. When me say I'm fine, here I know. Yeah, I concur. So what? She said nothing. You see from that, she said that, Raga.
Yeah.
All possibility of me being embarrassed by anything out the door.
Oh, okay.
The last two words that what she said when me say, yeah, man, I'm good, man, I'm fine. She said, yes, I concur.
Seen.
No, Raga is like she say, all right, lie down on the couch, assume the fetal, position, blah blah blah, etc. Whatever.
Whoa. Wait, what you mean fetal?
Then a fetal should do it, brother. A fetal should do it, When she do the
when you lie down, you by your side or your back?
What you mean by my back?
No, you said feet.
No.
Hold on. I know what the fetal position is, but but you say lie down. Let me be clear why me, whatever. All of the man them who me know do it is them bend over.
No, me never been over.
So what you do?
May I tell you what she told the lady? I was working with instructions.
So hold on, say you lie down by your back or your side.
I got member.
Hold on, man, you lie down by your back or your side.
Me lie down by my side.
Okay. Are you curl up your knee, don't?
Yeah.
Hold on, you did cock up one leg?
No.
You did have to cock up a leg in that position. They talk it truth. You don't want nobody know you did cock up. You did have to cock up a leg because when your leg there together side, it a go hotter.
No. Let me tell you when the lady tell me if you cock up her leg. You see, after she before we jump off a while ago, we hear one lady on the thing here, where you say is a lady will talk anything where and she don't have no problem with being as expressive as possible.
Yeah, fat pum Goldie, right?
Yeah. So I mean, I'm not afraid to say what I have to say.
Yeah. So what? So you lay down by your side and then what?
And she began the procedure.
What is the procedure?
The procedure is initiating the digital rectal examination.
I love how you verbalize it. Yeah. Right. And then what, after she initiate the digital rectal examination,
she proceeded to the area of concern or objectivity. Commenced palpitating the prostate gland. And she being the professional and knowing what she was looking for,
Yeah.
she issued further instructions,
Yeah, which were?
which was lifting I think it was my right leg
You're right,
at
like.
a certain obtuse angle.
No, so
I would think to allow for better intrusion and clarity of the testing.
right. So basically she tell you to cock up one of your foot down.
Bad man, I didn't you with that.
All right, no, let me use the language what
I'm
you
true,
using.
nobody with that true. We know where you're the
No, what I'm
That
saying
they
is,
say.
no, regarding the request to raise one of your legs, was the specific did the specific request require you to have your leg perpendicular to the other?
No, Raga. I said obstacle. What with the perpendicular argument?
You know, perpendicular is this, right? So you didn't cock up,
When the people over there chat, that's why they run from the perpendicular. That's why the people say obtuse, so you can't hear them. Yeah, hear what you want to hear, bad man.
Nah, man, you never want to tell me if you didn't lift up your leg like that, you go so and cock up like a G and say, yo, feel up that and thing and whatever. The talk you got to, you cock up way up down.
No.
I never one of them bad doctor that will catch your leg and just push you up, so you know.
You didn't hear me say one little knee to man, brother?
Little neat woman and them little woman, then trang your frig. You understand? Yeah.
Anyway, but you know, cooperate.
Yeah.
Anyway, what they I go on with yourself and all of these things. Lo and behold, Raga. Some man decides that he want to be a part of the whole thing. Salute.
The general fly up down.
Salute.
Yeah.
You're the doctor now. Wow. Nice.
And then she said, no. When the general fly up and thing, I said, that.
Wow.
Nice. I don't want you vex still, you know, but why the general fly up?
So, Raga, you never do it before?
Yeah, my general never move at all. He might tell me, say, this needs to be finished real quick and whatever. So why the general fly up?
Oh, it's a man doctor, they do your one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Go on, you know. You're good, man. You're good. That man.
Hey. Well, on the first time it for do it was in Connecticut and it never happened. It never happened because at that time, I'm gonna be honest with you, at that time, I never didn't know what it was. Like, them just say, I have to do it. So I said, I forgot doctor go do this thing. It was a requirement for something we did I do, and them say I have to do it.
How long ago that?
This was long time, you know.
Like 10 years ago, 20 years ago.
No, man, 20 odd years, 20 enough years ago. Almost 30 years ago.
When you get your first degree?
93.
As in anthropology?
No, that was undergrad. That was a double major in Africana Studies and Psychology. Vassar College.
But even then, at them levels of intellect, you would never know what a prostate exam was like at the RE.
No.
Style in a Raga, but it's all right.
No. Give thanks to your nurse woman who you dealt with for how long and you educated about them something. You're frightened if you know how much Jamaican man don't know nothing about prostate.
Yeah, me not talk about the average Jamaican man, brother. You may talk about.
No. People do that to me all the while. They hold me to a high standard and think me supposed to know certain things. There's enough things that I don't know. Hey, you know what some of me learn from the show, yeah? Even all the while, make them tell you.
But me I say certain things would I expect. Anyway, Raga.
No, me never know. Let me tell you, the first time it happened, it was in Connecticut, and me never know what it was. And you know, but me
I look for verbal expressions.
What verbal expression say what?
Yo, he
In
got
Bonaman. No, so when we're in there, I do the test them and whatever, and then them say, okay, you have to come over here for the prostate test. But we did that with some other blood work too. Huh? So I'm just like, whatever, and thing like that. And then now, you know, the woman said, you know, she give me, you know, that the green something with them put whatever, right?
Yeah, the gun.
They gone, right? So then give me it. So when they give me, no, me I tie it. you give me something, me I tie it. So they say you don't have to tie it. You do. That's not. So
Yeah, tie it back.
No, yeah, me as a student of logic, you know. Sometimes me too much with that. So my thing is, why would you give me this thing and then me not tie it that, and the back open? Remember I said no, I beanie body, you know, I'm really clapping and know what going on, you know. So me I say, all right, boom, you know, cause me think she has something where whatever. So she said, don't tie it, so me not tie it. And then she say you have to take off your pants. And I this so now me kind of like, why? Like I'm getting an injection, and she laughed, you know. She said, no, you don't get injection for prostate test. And things. So me just never really understand or whatever. And just like everybody talk about them, so when we see the man coming, but you want one little Indian man still in, well, let me be careful, because we see dark ear people and we assume them are Indian. They could be Bangladeshi, Malaysian, or Pakistani or whatever. But him look like what we call Indian. Yeah. And then I said, when him come in, I see him put on gloves and whatever. And he was all about business. That I think he perhaps he needed to be a little bit more smooth. But because he was all about business. So I was just like, so him come over now and him say, okay, Mr. Stewart, bend over. You don't, you know. you don't. Obviously, I know what going. I don't know. I just think if you just out of the blue tell the average Jamaican man say bend. Remember, you know, we grew up at ear song say, "Hey, girl, bend over, bend over, bend over, back way." So we, you know, in there.
Yeah, I just think it's all about this.
No, yes, when him say bend over now or whatever, I say bend over for what? What? Him say you're proud, and him still not explain, you know. That's how them go wrong. I think like you are, I don't know, whatever, they assume whatever. So I just got uncomfortable and I just said, listen, I'm leaving and I don't know what this is about. I'm just declare myself and come out and whatever. And you know that they weren't flustered one bit about it because it looked like said that wasn't the first time man do them something and just walk out or whatever.
Them don't work right, man. Them don't know them work right.
No, but them never, in retrospect, when somebody, I say, but no, I would have make them do it. I just never know. You can't just come tell me bend over, I don't know what is what. You know, you see that prep something that way, you hear Juice Me that talk about and what you talk about.
Yeah.
Them never, you see that thing they're like, oh, where you said the woman said, me go so and this and that. They never give me that.
Them never that work. Hey, let me tell you something, Raga. You see healthcare.
Yeah.
At certain locals is grossly compromised.
Mm-hmm.
You see me, I say it's like me realize a lot of them people are them coming at the work for make some money. So the whole empathy and various other sociological and psychological considerations are not taken in mind. Them just come and work and do what them do.
Well, in every job you have that element.
So the sooner you get out of there and them get it done, the better for them. And we get more people, which means
you have some doctors are like that. It's like them just depend this. They not take time with you and explain things with you. Yeah.
We know we come out a yard and our doctor them train different because the one we got Cuba go work and the one we work out of UA. Them get one different kind of training. Them walk you right through the thing.
You
know what I mean? So and that's why we get so much trouble when we get certain place in the Raga because we know what we forget, you know.
Seeing.
It'll be a problem, okay?
Seeing.
When one girl said to me, you know, I've had a number of male patients who actually had a similar response to you, and I've witnessed some tools that I'm not sure how those tools are utilized. I said, oh, what I go on, you know? I mean, I say, doctor. Revert to the vernacular.
No, hold on. This was weird. In what country?
Down a yard, me say.
Down a yard. Well on. And the doctor talked to you about your what?
Yeah.
That was inappropriate, you know.
We never business about inappropriation, Raga. Me know
Okay, all right. All right.
You understand me?
All right.
She just a boom and she feel me out, you know. When she say I concur, and the face what she give me know say I feel she feel me out.
Yeah.
And me just go with the flow. You have to pay attention to detail in the Raga.
So yeah, basically I say, doctor, I like you then.
Well, it's either she like me or she like my style.
Okay. Or she like your style.
She was comfortable with the setup.
Yeah, yeah.
Aye. Boom now. But what you mean? And she say, me see some man coming there with some hood, me don't know which part them put them there would there.
Mm-hmm.
I say, so your gynecological friends may have told you the serious levels of cervical cancer. So she laughed, she bust out a big laugh, and she said, I think you have a point. Yeah, but one girl said, you're good, you're satisfactory, I'm really impressed. That's comfortable. I say, so she did go out herself and all of these things. I said to myself, so you have to go find a real nice, discreet way to ask your number, you know.
You see?
Yeah, man. But she did do her thing, and you know, everything is everything, and she said, well, you know, you can get dressed and so on, and you can go back into the room. You know, she need to say some things to me, blah blah blah, etc. etc.
Yeah, yeah.
So, you know, we do what I do.
Thing balance out.
Yeah.
Well, give thanks for your experience with that thing. It was obviously positive, not only positive, but also pleasurable.
Yeah.
I think, see it. Yes, but I mean, eventually, one time, thank God, me did have one woman who she do it, and you know what I appreciate, and probably 2 other times, yeah, and you know, man, but you know what I appreciate, the ones who are good at it, it's in and out.
Yeah,
it's in and out. It's like, you know, them do them grease thing. Me not dead for foolishness, yeah. Me not go drop down dead and for you know for not make somebody check. But me not tell you like me. I lost a friend in Jamaica over that. Time say him lose half of me. I say you're an idiot.
Yeah, you have to tell me.
Yeah, him say him lose half of me. You can't believe you make a man do that. I say, let's be clear. You tell me say you lose half of me because I make the doctor do a prostate test. And him say, yeah, you know what I mean? No, man, wait, you know, the macho thing and whatever. So I'm just like, and then him start frowns for me and thing, and you don't know, nobody know rank on me, and you know more than me. So if you have frowns for me, I'm just low him and him low me and whatever and thing, and him talk up when him want to talk up and them saying.
You're the problem I have still. You say enough for them man there.
Yeah.
But Marley did do a tune where him have a line night to say if night should turn to day, a lot of people would run away.
That's true.
You see me I say because all of the facade and go on with them and go on themselves. If you buck up all them a certain place a certain night, let me tell you something, man.
No, but you see him, no? Him will go on so. I have to fix up this. Him and some, you see what you remember we go this earlier, you know? So enough of them talk up them thing and them, you know, whatever, boom, bam, 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 bam.
Yeah.
Him we go on so. Well, I never what she say in terms of thing, but him and somebody had do something. And it was that time for her, that time of the month for her. And him claim say him a work around it.
What? You see it? That
with him out.
That me I say, dirty man.
Right, with him out. You understand? So I'm saying like there people would hear that now and be like, yo, you know? Even though some man wind up in night see him with that. Me I talk about with female, you know? Somebody just to your point.
Let me tell you something. All the way as man, and I'm gonna say all the way as Jamaican man. See?
Yeah.
Well, we have a little thing I go on with we, you know. You understand me? We have fetishes.
Yeah. Yeah, run that one there quick. See them cost me, I know. I say me if you bring in the other people, them run. Yeah.
I say go, but you know, me I say as man, we just need to build and just do what we do. Do what we do. Excuse me. Do what we do.
It goes some man.
So,
I say a word, man.
obviously I never mixed up, but I just want to add my 2 cents, you know?
It goes some man. See?
Yes,
One
sir.
Zion train, you know. Safety and protection. Here, sir.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
tell you, yeah, man, out on the
Yeah,
road
man.
now. Little.
Yeah, man, cool. Boom, badang, bang, bing. Let's see what I want. What I want, people. What is going? Boom, boom, boom. Everybody begin to think cut off like them gone. All right, let's see what I go on. Primrose, what's up? When you say you love the show, big up yourself, you know, Primrose. Real Jamaican name that, you know, Primrose. A long time name that, you know. Sexy body queen, big up yourself, see you follow, you know. All right. This is how y'all do it out there. Cool. All right. Rote. And a person now come in and I can see what I'm going to clear out this and thing. Cause yeah, man, people me excited about Big Yard, you know. But big things are going to go on over there. You see what I say? Really, really excited about it and thing and whatever. And I got free you up for going with enough look at something and run the show over one, run it and things. See? This are the thing then. Somebody said the show educated tonight. Well, it started from Mr. Monday, you know. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Big up yourself, Primrose. Yeah, somebody make us one last time. See it?
You know, the woman say, boy, you know, you're 42 now in a youth, so them say if you check your prostate. So I say, all right then, make the appointment. Because, you know, them have insurance, you know. So I pay for them insurance. So she make the appointment. And I'm gonna go, Miss One. Nice little petite Indian doctor, you know. Nice girl. A nice young lady then, let me say that. You know, talk to me and reason me take my vitals and do me look a test. Them take some blood from me because them have the blood work. And them give me an overall checkup, you know? And them have send the guy lab. So I say, all right then, go and do nothing, brother. So she said she have to check now my prostate, you understand? And she has said, boy, them have to insert, you know, them finger and feel up and down and feel if the prostate, the gland has swell. You understand? For all who don't know about the prostate, brother, the prostate I want to hold the sperm water, not the sperm, you know, the lubricant. For when the sperm come down, it mix with the fluid. You understand? So sometimes that swell up and push against your pipe will carry out the pee-pee through your hood. You understand what I say? So when that swell up now, it kind of block off the pee-pee hole. You push against it and kind of close. Just like when you have a hose and you squeeze up your hose together and the water come out a little bit, same way. So each time when you pee-pee, I want to use the bathroom, it's like you have to shake, you know, because all light never really come out. You understand? You know, flow straight like that. You understand? Like when you're a young boy or your son or so. So the prostate get bigger. So they feel if you see, you know, what size it is and estimate it and so. So I say, all right, no problem. So she say, all right, somebody will be there. So I said to myself, I sit down in my room now, she take off my clothes and put on my little gown and sit down on bed and wait. I say, the lady must go and wash her hand and clean up herself, you know, to come back in, come test the prostate, you know, come insert. You know, me look on her finger, them and nice petite girl. I say, all right, then, must angle that. Brother, me say no man, to judgment all, you know, people. Mighty God of Daniel. All of a sudden, me don't know where this doctor you come from, you know, brother. One big, thick man, you know, brother. You know, the white man, we oversized, brother. And one of them man, they come in, you know, brother. And when me look on the wall, the man, I take the one gloves, you know, man. Me know gloves, you know. And the latex gloves, you know. Okay, you know about them things because I'm nurse, you know, not do, you know. And Miss Venice and all I know, ladies and the chat, and you know about them things, you know, them. Me say the gloves, where the man take out of the box, mark X One of man finger come like one little hood in a brother. And that them on the comfy pushing thing inside of me, brother. Comfy feel me prostate, brother. One man we put on one gloves XXL, brother. Remember, man. My little rump, man. Never touch it, man. You understand me? I say, and imagine you go there for the first time and look out upon the man on the send. Eh? Brother? I know none of them not see me to blood. Me not go back for the result, brother. Me not go back for the result for blood test, brother. I know none of them not see me, brother. Wife come on and ask, how was it? Me say, all right, I'll know. Then tired for call. Then tired for call. I'll know me not go back, brother. I'll know. You're mighty God of Daniel, brother. No, sir. What?
Ay, boy, me I tell you when me listen to this, man, and people me laugh, so till me laugh, man, me laugh. And me tell you like proper, good, big, disgusting laugh, you know, man, you know. Me love laugh, you know. Me love laugh, man, laughing nice, man. I mean, you're sitting like a this, man. You have to laugh, man. Not alone laughing, you depend on thing with something like this. You see what I say? Yeah. Very true. Man, as a man to film look about and whatever, and that big old trapped in man you can't send in and whatever. I said the people them are wicked. I want them to do that. Eh? And you know one of them people that know if tell mix up, you know. Yeah. Them some people just have that something there, you know, them just entertaining, you know. Catherine Van Poot said she needed that laugh. Kelly Brown said the story is sweet. Michelle a pop big laugh to and all these things and whatever. All right, people. Again, you know, when you know, we wanna know me I work for now, though. See? So you see some I work on all I site them, all right? Ragashanti.com, TamFamBigYard.com, TambourineRadio.com, OuterOrder.com, you see it? Don't worry, man, me depend them and then look something go on and whatever. But again, people, especially TamFam Big Yard, I want to go over there and just join in, all right? All right, come here, tell you, it will be worth it in the long run. We're going to go on with things over there. We're going to love it over there. After a while, I hear someone say, no, I go over Big Yard. You know, you want me over Big Yard. Such and such go on a Big Yard and whatever. And that's how the thing I go there. You see me? All right? And then, yeah, beat us if you're one pack, man, you have too much cum. Allow me, Ragashanti.com, TamFamTravel.com, OuterOrder.com, TamFamBigYard.com. We're a family, virtual community and whatever and things like that. So, yeah. And them not finish yet, obviously. I'm putting content like at Ragashanti.com. It's going to be video focus. I'm going to be making videos, mix up videos, educational videos, inspirational videos, you know, stuff on culture and whatever, you know? Yeah. So even my site going to be about me. I do my content primarily. But I go over Big Yard enough because I want the interaction with Uno over there. Because remember, and again, if you know Facebook, you know Big Yard. It's the same principle, but our community. I'm going to put a square over there, like a stadium. There's something them go on. And who knows, probably I'll have hog riding competition and see if Del Marine can still ride the hog them and win the race them and thing and whatever, you know. But I can't see Christina beat her in a race or Naki and thing and whatever. Right? People remember say Nakita live, which part Nakita live in Florida, be alligator around there, you know. Right? Remember say sometime when Nakita go work, she have to jump an alligator back and all them something there and things like that and whatever. So don't play with them them ANC woman them. Them not normal. They're very at home in the wild. The ANC woman, them ANC women, they will see like a grizzly bear and everybody run on them stand up, you know. The woman, them in the Ants Nest crew, ANC, Ants Nest crew, they're very comfortable in the wild. Del Marina tell you the time when she had jogged someplace in California and the mountain lion run her down, and she turn around and I run down the mountain lion, and the lion get confused and I run her from her. Because the lion the lion must be accustomed to everybody who it run off or run from him. So when Delmarine turn around and I run down the lion and think the lion run. Delmarine never tell her, Delmarine never tell her, yeah, it happened to her, California. She had drag over there. I don't know, mountain lion is the same as cougar, you know, it's just an interchangeable. And the lion I run off her, and you know, the ANC woman, and Delmarine turn around and I run off her lion. The lion get confused and go across one train track and running now, some water sitting and run gone. Don't play with them ANC women, they no joke, okay? Roxy, what's up? Rude girl Mika, Dita. You join TamFam Big Yard at Dita. You have to over there, you know. Oh, you have to over there. Vibes the people like you know. Marcia, you join it yet? Okay, come right over your page, you know. I'm going to just look for your greater care, man. I'm going to bite it and eat it, you know. Just not go over there and look for it, you understand? Oh, man, I said she soon do that. No, I know you soon forward over there, man. And we have somebody have to go hold alien and Ankara over there, you know. Oh, God, because, you know, technology thing always a beat alien, you know. And hot and spicy, too, you know. Hot and spicy, you know, we have to go hold for them and Ankara them over there and show them what them for do, you know. They're not exactly tech savvy. All right. Ruthie says she would die. Yeah, and Ruthie want to see your things them too, you know, because we know you do certain things to involves creativity and using your hands in creative ways and whatever, right? So for the record, you know, Ruthie has accomplished hands, you know, pretty skilled, whatever, at her craft, right? But it's a master and Cavi too. It's a Cavi no really tech savvy. Country made queen. So you did a sign up proper like that. You see it. Yeah, everything is everything. Delmarine said, no, it was turkey. A turkey run you down. A bunch of turkey run you down, though. You know, some of them turkey, them violent, you see? No, don't. No, me I confuse them with the geese. A geese, yeah, as a school of geese, me say, run down some man, you know, the man a fast with the geese, them, you know. And the geese, them just gang up on the man, them and thing, them have to splurt, you know, man. And when one of them fly up on whatever and drop some doodoo in one of them head, yeah, I must think I joke me, I make a real thing, me I tell them, man. Me never know say geese can, never know say them billions them with them, man. But of them are fast with the geese, them, you know. No, I didn't know. We just used to geese a runner from me and whatever. And I'm fast with the geese, and the geese them turn around and move to them, man. About 3 or 4 of them, so, you know. The man them have to splur, man. I'm telling them, fly up in the head, you know, and come on all like a stamp them in the head and whatever, you know. And play with them, some of them, man. Them ready for gang you up and take it to you, man. I don't know. 20p, you join TamFam Big Yard yet? Yeah, I want to general, you know, on a day, you know, yeah, verbal expression, make sure say you join TamFam Big Yard, you know, okay. Because when we say Ray, such and such over them, I want to make sure so I want to join already. I want to know a bum rush thing for coming and thing. Yeah. And verbal, especially the mothers, they're serious when they get around their babies. Well, all mothers, you know, every animal like that, you know. Every animal like that, you know. Susan said, where do we sign up? TamFamBigYard.com. I gotta get the shorter version. Something. TamFamBigYard.com. TamFamBigYaad. Okay? All right. Over there, so one sign up. And you have a free option there. You just sign up with that. And if you know you want to start support Ragashanti from the get-go, you subscribe. And you're good to go. All right? Oh, and you can gift subscription there. You can give 1 month subscription or you can give a recurring subscription. Okay? Okay? Peace of mind. Raga, how can I call? What do you mean? Call the show or call me? We don't have a phone for the show. But yeah, when we have the show over there, we're going, and we're going to get back with that. Because some people want to get them mixed up over here, but them not want to come up with them TikTok account. Yeah, enough people tell me that, No, we don't have a phone. We don't have a phone number now. But again, when we have the show over Big Yard, me are going to have an option for calling, and that's going to make it nicer too. And watch and say, enough people are going to call. Because some people all want to come in this, but don't even know if to do the box up. Believe it or not. Kingsley, brown sugar, get a salary. You don't worry about me and she. Yeah, we are fast with that for. We are coming at that for. Leave that alone. CBS, you know, never talk them ask boy you. Nothing one science trainer ask boy you. And even if she was moon to tell you. Yeah, CBS ain't too fast, don't. Clear Briggs said, me do not know how to do it too. See there? Enough people whatever this and that. Now worry on yourself, man. Me I line up everything for no man and whatever, man. Cause I take a thing on another level, you know? You understand? And again, me no want to feel that way, but me I go leave right now too, yeah? Okay, me I go leave now and go. Me I can't have a whole heap of work for doing it. So me I leave right now and take it. I know, and by the way, the app for Big Yard, it's being worked on, but it now go without getting into technicalities with these things, when you're going to have an app or work with it, whatever, you have to, remember something, I have Mark Zuckerberg money, you know, right? But you have to sort out the side first, because the app have to be upon the side. Just put it like that, you know. Jamaica and Teddy Bears a membership confirmed. Big up yourself, my dog, and thing. You see it? Blessings, man. See, Tina said I had a mustache or whatever. Mustache no fit me, you know, but me work with it, you know. And Tina, now you said it, me work with it, see? All right. Trust me. Good night and thing. Shanae, don't start. When she said, all right, cool. You see, Shanae, you're getting better at this when I leave early, right? Isn't that cool? All right. People take care of themselves when I don't know everything is everything. I'll be back tomorrow and thing. And honestly, I'm serious. I go, he's a night owl, you know, I work at night, you know. So, I go, no, I want make no good so tonight. No cussing, no go. People, when they say, she put her face. I go like, big up Kimberly, you know, and say, she not cuss and whatever, but she throwing one look of face, their side eye, you know. Yeah, she throwing a look of face with a smirk. No one, Kimberly. Yeah. But bless up on yourself, man, all right? Zion Train said, brown sugar look like her name, bro. What you say? Christina look like brown sugar? Oh, me see what I go on. Zion Train, you like her, though? Yeah, man. You say she look like brown sugar. And that's how you think Christina look? What you know? You want Christina for sweeten your juice, though? But she look like brown sugar for true. Wait, now Christina this. Christina.
Hello?
You know, your Zion Train say you look like brown sugar for true.
I just wanted to say that I'm there scrolling on the site, and I just want to say I love the fact that everybody is joining. I love the fact that everyone's adding pictures, stories. Hey,
wait, that I go on already.
Friend request. Send friend requests. Send me the friend request. Like, hey, I love it. I really love it. And hey,
wait, that I go on already. People have put up them picture already and all these things.
Yes, and stories and pictures.
A lie! Yes. I'm so excited! Yes, man.
Yeah, I just want to say I really love it. Everybody just participate, and you know we're gonna make this great.
Yeah, oh my God, I'm so excited and whatever. I'm just dying for it set, so we can just work on content and vibes and events and activities and whatever. Cause that's the thing there, you know, that's the nice that I got there, you know. So, and again, you know, if you don't see anything, cause I get with these things, there's always something you need to fix, and I'm sure there's gonna be a bunch of little things. So I just send them and let me know. And remember, admin at tamfamworld.com. right? And we have fixed the site there to tamfamworld.com, and just so you know, that is the portal, the gateway to all I site them. All right.
So
But
everyone just be patient. We're
yeah.
getting there step by step, day by day.
Yeah. You see it. You see it. You see. You put up your picture. Yeah. Yeah. Zion Train say you look like brown sugar for true. What you think about that? Yeah. What? Yeah. It sound like it sound like him want you sweet name lemonade, you know.
Well, naturally sweet. So
Sure.
bra. No additives, no extras.
There you go. Yeah. Rich, straight organic Jamaican cane sugar, right? This, you understand? Yeah. And for no done, that's the thing the Zion Train. That me I tell you here, so you better come correct if you step to my charge. That me I tell you. Yeah, so you're excited about Big Yard.
Oh yeah, I'm very excited. You know, now I can finally take off the old app that you had, you know, and use this one up to the times.
Yeah, man, I want to up to the time now, man. The technology has improved significantly since then and thing, you know. And Shower Day, the site name tamfambigyard.com, and that yard is spelled YAAD. Okay, all right. So just go over there and register. tamfambigyard.com, and that is going to be the TamFam community where anybody can come join, and a bag of sitting go on over there, free from the constraints and limitations of other social media sites. Okay.
So all inhibitions out the window.
All what?
Inhibitions.
Inhibitions. Yeah.
Window.
And I went on an algorithm and misconstrued where we are. Yeah. Yeah. I remember.
Not to filter nothing.
Right. I remember all I want to owe a super fan over here or subscriber over here. Just send me an email and say, Raga, I'm a super fan and this is my name and I'm Superman. Or Raga, I'm a subscriber and this is my name. And then I'm going to make you a premium member until the end of January. And then you have the option for just nobody do that something over here and just come over there. So because when you come over there, so you're going to get everything where you get here, so and way more. Okay? That's the idea.
When you get the email from them, do you want their name on those particular sites? Do you want screenshots? Are they going to use the same username? How are you going to know?
No. The names that them have over here, I just need that name to confirm them, right? But you're right, because when I put them in, them have to give me a username. So my plan is to use the same username, you know? They could change it when they want over Big Yard, yeah.
Yeah, maybe like an email with screenshot to show what their status is, and then
no. If them just tell me the name, me can't. No, if them tell me if them tell me the name, me can't check it. 1, 2 for me, go over there and check. Remember, so me can't see all of the name them who are super fan or subscriber over here or a member over TamFam TV, you know. But them have to just make sure so them tell me the exact name what them I use over here or on TamFam TV because of that me I go see. And then when me put them in, you know, them have the option for change them password if them want over Big Yard when them want, you know.
Right. Verbal expressions. I will check and look behind the scenes, but as I say, the numbers are going up.
Right.
Everyone is signing up.
Nice.
So building their page. So
right. Beachy said, please move me in a VIP from now, Raga. You're good. One of the thing, me just want to make this clear from now. We not go really, and this particularly go to Marcia and Elaine. Again, the thing is based on Facebook, right? So you have your own place, you know, your own wall and your own home basically where you post your thing and whatever. So Marcia and Elaine, in particular, Hot and Spicy too, and anybody else. I think they want to still do right now. When you wake up at morning time and come out in the yard, come throw to the people, that not go on over here. So when you come on the chimney and throw to the piece outside and thing under the lime tree and them stuff, that not go work here. That not gonna work. A modern
my
time now and whatever.
gosh.
All right. But just we're not in a joking thing or whatever. Marcia good as especially alien and hot and spicy. That thing they want to wake up a man and come out with an enamel chimney and a throat on a piece in the yard. It not gonna work over there. Oh, that's that say, you know. You know, concur CBS, you know,
Yeah,
feel
I
say.
agree.
Yeah.
I'm more worried about Elaine though. You know, we have to help her.
When you say you're more worried about alien though.
Back at times, so.
When around for beat alien. You know, ain't seen around for take it to alien. You know, when you say alien, you think I can go on with that, no.
Yeah, Elaine back at times, and you know,
And
Pink Floyd, everything for our oil. So.
you know, so you're out tired and I beat my friends. Oh, you know, so I beat my friends. So yeah, you know, so Elaine I listen, you know, Elaine gonna call and take you on tomorrow, though.
Well, you're gonna have to help her, hold her hand, and help her with
Yeah. All right, CBS, let's say a word, man. Love and blessings here.
Yeah. Alrighty.
All right, cool. Yeah, man.
Guys.
Zion train is coming away. When people me have to go wait name there, you know, I don't want to no vex and thing. Me have to let go, you know, here. And sit now, whatever. So in the morals and thing, and whatever, see what I'm going. And you know, hey, real quick before me go. You see, when you do something you want to enjoy, right? You end up at work hard, or work really hard, and you don't even know say you work hard. Yeah. So I have some friends and whatever who know me been at work on this and this I go. I said, you know, at different time, you still up on that? Yeah, me up on that. What you do now? Me still up on that one. Oh, you not sleep last night? No, me just end up I go right through. But me just I do my thing, you know. And then and they were like, yo, you know, you work hard, you know. And then I say like, well, I guess, but you know, but me really I put in a long hours, you know, but you don't even notice it. You don't even notice it, you know. You know, Einstein said, when I'm asking to explain the theory of relativity, you know, and him said, when you sit down, when you're young and you sit down with a person you love for several hours, it come in like 1 second or a minute, you know. When him say, when something burn you, it come in like you get burned for several hours. And the idea is that when you're experiencing pleasure, you know, he said, you know, I said, why time short when you're having a good time, though. That's why no found one on a start out on a think a long time when I start out for, you know. Yeah, no found to make that mistake there, you know. Yeah, man, when I start out, man, I want to think you know, a long time when I start out for. But a shorter time, I want to think, you know, it's relative. So you see when you do something you enjoy, and when it experience problems with it and thing, you enjoy the problems. Yeah, and that's how you know when you really care about somebody too, you know. Not them woman that also, oh, I now left Mikey, only him put up with my foolishness then, and about me can't do better, and all them something. And then you somebody talk about them can't do better and whatever, this and that. The fact that them say them can't do better is that they know they can do better, but then, you know, there's the right conditions is not there for them to do better. But I digress. But the point is, you know, when you immerse into something you enjoy, you just go, and when the problems them come up, you unite same way and thing, and you wouldn't have it any other way because you enjoy that process, you know. Me in that zone, you know. I'm if I tell you, man, no, yeah. Big up on yourself, you know, people in Morals here. All right. DC, you say you know what the name, all right. Jamaican Teddy Bear, large up yourself, you know, my G. All right. Daniel, Jasmine, good to see you back and thing, you know. Daniel, you know, what we call Daniel, right? You know, Daniel, like, you know, Daniel is like, we have to work on that. Carol, big up yourself. Really enjoy the show. You know, Raga love you, you know, Carol, big up yourself, you know that, you know. Lottie girl, what's up, boo? Raga, I saw that you posted 4 years ago. So long you work on this? No, that date, no. That date is it's from something where no. Yeah, I'm never gonna change them date. Yeah, whatever. And you know, see me right one look at something over there quick on the thing where we did that talk about with brown stew chicken and stew chicken and thing. Yes, I'm gonna write out some articles too and some fun articles. And do remember, everybody will have access to all the sites. Ragashanti.com, Tambourine Radio. Again, if y'all go over tambourineradiо.com right now, some bad souls are play over there. All right? TambourineRadio.com, I work on that big yard and thing. Then my business sites, them I come up to. TamFam Travel is already up. I'm going to revamp that and thing. And my immigration site is going to come up too and whatever. But the one, just one input, just one side, it's going to just be open only to subscribers. And it's outerorder.com for obvious reasons. That is content that is saucy, right? And I don't want to open that. I don't want anybody can go to that, particularly Pickney and them, something. And it's and the nature of that content is such that I want it to be that it's separate from the crowd. So if you want to go over there, go over there. You have to walk all the way, go over outerorder.com and whatever. That means that you want to be over there. And remember, you can be anonymous over there too, okay? All right? So that is that. So a lot more going to come up around me, couldn't know where I'm going. All right, big up on yourself, people. Have a great night. Love and respect, TamFamers. Yeah. Ooh.